All right, we are live. Welcome back, everybody. We're going to wait here for, of course, everybody to jump in. Another live stream. Happy to be here with you guys again. All right, I know I've been talking to Mark earlier today. He's got some news for us. I've got some things pulled up we're going to take a look at. So, welcome, welcome. All right, so we're taking a look at the coin market cap to start. This is something that I mentioned early in the week. I wanted to keep us in the top 30. Hey, what's up, the Johnsons? How you doing, man? Welcome in, welcome in. So our goal early on in the week was to stay in the top 30. So we're still there. We're still in the top 30, so we'll run it down here. Sitting at 29, we're sitting at our support line right now at 1.5, so that's okay. That's a good spot to be in. I know a lot of people are panicking, but I don't think it's time to do that yet. I know the market cap's down a little bit, but all things on the front of Shiba swap sound good. I think it should be coming soon. Hopefully, somebody has potentially some news that's a little bit more specific. But I think at least if I'm inside that room making decisions for Shiba Inu, I think they got to be working on it fast, right? And I think Shiba swap's going to come and at least help out, be a catalyst in the short term. So hey, what's up, Mofo Worthy? What's up, my guy? How you doing? Welcome in. Welcome in. Marie Charlotte, how you doing? Welcome, welcome. All right. Of course, we're going to get into Polygon. Of course, one of my favorites, all the way up in the 20 spot today. This started in the week, beginning of the week, around like, the 34 mark. So Polygon has made some great strides. Hey, Mark, how you doing? Welcome in, welcome in. Tybee and Emma, how you doing? Getting bummed. Give us some good news. Yeah, we're going to do that. Yeah, well, yeah, we're all about good news tonight. We're okay. We're still in the top 30, Tybee. We're still in the top 30, so we're in a good spot. This is something I mentioned early on in the week. Can we stay in the top 30 this week? And we're still there. We're still okay. We're at our support line here right now, still up on the 7-day a little bit. Of course, down 15% today. But, we thought this would happen in the short term. We thought this would happen in the short term. I'm doing well, Mark. Hope you are as well. I know you're talking to you earlier on Twitter that your weekend started, so that's cool. Yeah, we're going to take a look at a lot of different coins tonight. So Polygon, of course, one of my favorites. I mentioned that I got in about 88 cents. Wish I would have got in a little bit sooner, but doing really, really well this week. Made some great jumps today. Take a look at the high, 24-hour high, that is. It's 189. So be interesting to watch this tonight because this could run, I think, because we're getting some good news on Polygon too. We'll talk about that a little bit later on as well. Of course, Polygon's co-founder was in the news all week, Sandeep Nawal, leading up the COVID relief fund in India. So I think that helped the cause here. But this token was already on the rise before anything happened with Shiba Inu, before Sandeep was in the news. This was already making some good strides. We take a look at the 1 month, pull it out a little bit. We can see a good trend line here as this loads up. Welcome in, everybody. Welcome. How you doing? How you doing? Mofo, no panic here. Just picked up another 1 mil about 5 minutes ago. Nice, man. Up to 16 mil now total. Yeah. Okay, how you doing? Please make SHIB bleeding stop. I hear you, brother. I hear you. I'm going to try my best. Yeah, so we've been on a nice trend line, but of course we've really gone parabolic these last couple of days. I mean, take a look at the 13th here. Man, great increases from here. This 103 mark. I was happy to get in down in here, guys. I got in right in here. Yep, about there. 88 cents. That's when I got in. That was a lucky one, honestly. I got in at a good time here. Hey, everybody. If you're here for Shiba Inu, we're going to talk about that, but we talk about a lot of other coins as well right here on the stream. So we're going to get into a lot of different things. Crypto, welcome in, welcome in. Make sure you guys like up the stream as you're coming in. As you're walking in the door, make sure you like it up. Appreciate that. All right, let's take a look. Let's go up top here and take a look at Bitcoin and Ethereum. Bitcoin down right now, down on the 7-day, 20%. This is something we talked about last night. I think long-term, Bitcoin might be taking a downturn. I think a lot of people getting into Ethereum, they see the future. The proof of staking is really big for Ethereum and other coins like Cardano. We saw a nice run up with Polkadot as well. It's another proof of stake coin. Also, you know, one of my favorites is Chainlink, another proof of stake coin. So these proof of stake coins, I think, are going to really, really run in this bull session. Of course, Elon helped us out there too, talking about how Dogecoin maybe has the potential, a little bit more potential rather than Bitcoin because of this. So welcome in everybody. Welcome in. Jay Will, how you doing? Here, convince my Nice, man. Nice. That's good. Yeah, Cardano really looking nice today, huh? Got to be loving that. Up almost 40%. Let's take a look at Cardano actually. Up almost 10% today. 220 right now. Man, this is nice. I got in Cardano about 111, so I'm sitting on a nice supply of Cardano myself. You know, I wanted to add on, but this thing has just kept running up. I haven't had a chance to add on. It hasn't come back down for a while, so that's okay. 24-hour high is 237, so we'll see if we can jump back up there later this evening as we're on stream. Welcome in everybody. Make sure you like up the video. Subscribe to the channel if you're new here. We're talking all things crypto. Shiba Inu, of course, main topic of discussion, and we'll hit on all the top coins. So yeah, I really like Cardano, guys. Really like Cardano, as you know, So Shiba Swap, just trying to get some news here. Anybody hear anything on the Shiba Swap? I know everybody's kind of waiting to hear something. With the Shiba Swap, all I'm hearing is that it's coming soon. I haven't got a particular answer on this, but let's see. Robinhood Crypto supports buy side. Sure to let you know as well. Wow, this is interesting. I don't know if this is true or not. This is coming in from Reddit, so we'll have to see if this is something that's actually true here. But potentially, I know this was rumor last night too. Robinhood could be adding Sheba. I'll tell you what, that would be fantastic. Sheba on Robinhood would certainly help the price. In unrelated news to Sheba, Dogecoin is going to be added to Coinbase. Not sure if you heard that news. A couple months from now, Dogecoin will be available on Coinbase. That should help out the cause there. They said about, what, 6 weeks? So it should be about 6 to 8 weeks, I think. So we'll see. I think we'll see some good movement from Dogecoin when it gets there. Speaking of Doge, let's take a look at it. Trevor, how you doing, man? That email's okay. Reportedly fake. Thank you. Appreciate that. Yeah, that's the thing. That's what I'm talking about. Because everything you see on here, obviously you can't believe. So we need people to double check. 6 to 8 weeks, mofo. Yeah. SHIB developer mentioned today that Shiba Swap will be performing tests with 100 admins on Monday. Nice. Release date was not said, but that is certainly a good sign. Okay, awesome. I knew it was coming soon. That's great stuff, man. That's great to know. Appreciate that, Trevor. Thank you so much for the news. Yes. Okay. So Ethereum down today, guys. I think this is a really good spot for Ethereum. I really do. I think in the long term, I think in this cycle, Ethereum definitely gets upwards to 9,000. That's just my prediction. I know a lot of people had some even more bullish predictions before the downturn, upwards to 15 to 20K. But I like 9 or 10K in this bull run for Ethereum. I think it's just trading sideways a little bit here, little peaks and valleys, but this thing can really run. Take a look at the 7-day on Ethereum. It's had a rough 7-day go at it, but you pull out 3 months, and this chart's going to look awesome. Look at that. Look at the big run up here, starting really way down here in March, right? We were kind of flat in March, and then get into April, and we've just seen this thing run like crazy. So Ethereum's one that I initially got into around 1,100, 1,200. Wish I would have got in more. I was looking at it when it was 600 or 700, way back at the beginning of the year. Wish I would have got in then, but beggars can't be choosers. Welcome into the chat. Welcome in. Make sure you like up the video. Subscribe if you're new. All right, let's take a look. Chainlink, guys. Chainlink's at a nice price here. I really like this price on Chainlink. 41.42, down 11% today. You guys know how I feel about Chainlink, though. I think anytime under 50 is a really good price on Link. Anytime under 50 is a really good spot. I think you won't see this under 50 for too long. Mofo 10 to 12K by the end of the year. Yeah, I like that. I like that prediction. I'm right there. I'm like 9 or 10K. I'm right there with you. I like that. Back for more SHIB action. Yeah, I hear you, man. I hear you, Trev. All right, let's take a look at SHIB. We're still on that support line, guys. 1557. So, man, we really need some nice movement here. Yeah, Polygon, the Johnsons. Yeah, one of my favorites, man. How about the movement today? Gotta love it, huh? On the 1 day, where are we at on the 24-hour period here? 24-hour high, 1892. Okay, all right. So let's take a look at the 7-day here. Still on that top shelf, right? This is something we like to talk about. So we've got that support at the 15 mark, which we're there now. So hopefully we head back up here soon. See if they wrote anything in here on the Sheba swap. Sometimes they do update this on CoinMarketCap, and you can catch something that is added on here. According to the 22-page white paper, Sheba is based on Ethereum. We know that proof of work blockchain currently transitioning to proof of stake. Yeah, this is something of news too, guys. If something comes out where Sheba is able to get to a proof of stake, I think that would help the price too. I think that would be great news, and maybe, just maybe, we can get Elon on board if it goes proof of stake, right? We know Elon's all about proof of stake regarding his tweets. Speaking of which, I'm going to try to find an article that I tracked down earlier. Elon proof of stake. Might be able to get it this way. We'll see. Welcome in, everybody. Welcome. If you're new here, we're going to go over all different types of coins. If you're here for SHIB, just hang in there. We'll get right back to it. So yeah, this was the big news yesterday, guys. Elon Musk wants to greener Bitcoin, right? So a lot of people, and myself included, think this could be hurting the price of Bitcoin right now. I mean, when Elon speaks, we've seen what it's done to Dogecoin. We've seen what it's done to Bitcoin. Speaking of Elon and the owner of Square, CEO of Square, Jack Dorsey, and Twitter, super successful guy, big guy into, big investor into Bitcoin. I think he holds like 400 million shares within Square, within the company Square, which is absolutely insane. Or not 400 million shares, I'm sorry, 400 million worth of Bitcoin. But anyway, all right, Elon wants a greener Bitcoin. He's got a plan or a pipe dream. So let's see if what I'm looking for is in here. Musk and Tesla certainly have the resources to support. Right, this is the big one, guys. Musk announced his new position in major YouTuber on Wednesday, prompting speculation among some experts about whether he has the plan to wean the crypto industry off fossil fuels, right? So when we're thinking about this, guys, crypto going off of fossil fuel and getting more to the proof of stake model, enter Polygon. I think that's a big reason why you're seeing that jump today. Polygon is a proof of stake coin. Enter Cardano, right? So these coins that are proof of stake, we're seeing some good movement today, right? So welcome in. Hey, Drew, how you doing, man? RRD is an environmentally friendly. We'll check that out. Yeah, we'll take a look at that. The Johnsons, I need to get more poly. Oh yeah, one of my favorites too. It's looking. Yeah, man, it's a great coin to be on right now. Polygon just kind of traded sideways for a long time, and toward the tail end of that, that's when I wanted to get in because I just knew it was going to jump eventually. I got a little lucky in terms of when it jumped because I literally bought it, then it started going up like the day after, right? Usually doesn't happen like that, but that's kind of what it did. Welcome in, everybody. If you're new here, welcome. Make sure you like up the stream. We're at 160 right now on Polygon. Really nice, really nice. Okay, let's take a look at the 1 day. We got all the way up here, man. I checked my app earlier this morning and saw this, and I was like, wow, this is super nice, huh? But still, the 7 day, man, this is just a really, really good looking chart, huh? I said, guys, anytime under $1 on Polygon is great, right? You might not be able to get it under $1. Maybe this thing dips down, but who knows? We could get some support right at that dollar line. We'll have to wait and see. Actually, let's take this out to the 1 month and take a look here. I think we could get some support Maybe it could dip down under $1 again. There's a decent chance it could. If it does, guys, if it gets close, you know, Polygon's a great coin. I think a lot of people feel the same way on this one. Market cap number 19 now, guys, too. It's moving in market cap. This thing was at 34. 34 to start the week. It's in the top 20 now. It keeps going back and forth with EOS, and these two keep going, flipping back and forth. Actually, this hasn't updated yet, right? 9.8 is more than 9.7 last time I checked, so this should actually be number 19. Okay, let's take a look at some news on SHIB. We are getting some articles today, which I think is good. Let me load this back up. We are getting some articles today, which I like to see, keeping us in the news. That's good. We'll go to news here and take a look at. Oh, did you guys hear about this story? Pretty cool. 8,000 Shiba Inu coin investment made New York brothers multi-millionaires. Did you guys see that? I did see this earlier today. That's pretty cool. A couple millionaires off of SHIB. That's pretty neat. All right, 3 hours ago. Let's take a look here. Crypto Potato. I don't know how good of a source this is, but you know we like to read everything, and we just take everything with a grain of salt. So, all right, let's take a look here. SHIB, the Dogecoin killer. Okay, 23. White paper is called that promises that meme coin is 100% decentralized, which is what the founder Ryoshi has vouched the project to be. Although there's no preset date, the project said it's dedicated to build the best decentralized ecosystem deco on the planet. So that's what we're waiting for, guys, this deco. Basically, it means the developers are working on a decentralized exchange, which, when if ever sees the light of day, will be called Shiba Swap. On Shiba Swap, your Sheebs will dig for bones, right? We've been talking about this the last few nights, or even bury their tokens. The best trainers even teach their Shibas to swap, which allow the pup to exchange one token for another token. Interesting. Yeah, the two brothers, very wholesome story, Drew. It was good stuff. Furthermore, the adoption widened earlier this week as the world's leading crypto Binance listed SHIB on the platform. Yeah, we did get that news earlier in the week, which was nice. Okay. All right, so this is going to talk about some other coins. So just talking about Shiba Swap and how important that would be, obviously, if we get that. That really will be a catalyst, guys. Shiba Swap will be a catalyst because a lot of people will put that in articles, and that'll be all around Twitter, of course. We know how big the crypto space is getting and how big the Shiba army is getting as well, right? All right, let's take a look at some other articles. Let me refresh this. Sorry about this, guys. I don't know why I had to refresh this again. My browser sometimes not the best, but that's okay. Investing in Shiba Inu, everything you need to know. All right, let's take a look at this. Let me get a sip of water. Welcome into the chat. 30, how many got? 34 viewers in here. Okay, that's a good start. Just 18 minutes in. That's a good start. Make sure you like up the video. Would appreciate that. The Johnsons, how do we use SHIB from crypto on Shiba Swap? Do you know how that would work? We don't really understand how that would work just yet, but we know that Shiba Swap would also hold the bone, right? Or bones, I think it is. It would definitely be a catalyst, and it would be embedded on their website, right? Which would be really nice. It should draw people in, especially people who are new to the space that don't understand, you know, where to buy crypto, whether it be on crypto.com or Coinbase or Binance or whatever whatever the case may be. Hey, I actually dropped in a link, and I'm totally new to this, so tell me if I'm doing this right and give me some advice if I'm doing this wrong. I dropped my link from to Coinbase in the description of this video. So I think how it works is if you added $100 on Coinbase, we both get $10 of Bitcoin. So I don't know if you guys are on Coinbase already, but if you're not and you wanted to open up an account on Coinbase, using my referral link will help us get both $10 free of Bitcoin. So that's up to you, but you know, that's there for you. Let me know if that link works too. First time doing this, new streamer, so I'm trying to learn those type of things. So any help out there would be great. Oswaldo, welcome in, man. I'm doing well. How are you? Zishan, how you doing? Down below, it will go down below. We'll see. We'll see. It's getting support right now. We'll see. At least I think it's still getting that support. Let's take a look. Yeah, we're still good, man. 1557. Yeah, we're still good right now. Dr. Overkill, Shiba Coin to the moon. I hear you, brother. I hear you. Welcome in. Welcome in. Mofo, hit the sub and like button. Help support the channel. Appreciate that, Mofo. Definitely appreciate that, man. Yeah, definitely hit the subscribe button. Become part of the community. All right, Shiba Inu is the latest breakout meme token to capture the interest of the blockchain investment community. This token is seen by many as a knockoff to Doge. Okay, we know that. However, there are some significant technical differences between the two projects. The anonymous developments team has labeled the platform an experiment in decentralized spontaneous community building. Well, we know about that, right? I like that quote, actually. Experiment in decentralized spontaneous community building. Okay, I can dig that. Just drop that in chat, right? Right from the Doge, or excuse me, not the Doge, right from the Sheba development team. They have billed the project as a viable alternative to Dogecoin. This promotion has gone to the point of developers labeling the token as the Dogecoin killer. All right, interesting. The age of the meme coins. Right, yeah. Okay, interesting thing about the scenario is the meme coins are not really a technological upgrade or revolution. No, but it's still a top 30 coin, right? Still a top 30 coin. No problem, Daryl. 7 million in SHIB. Awesome. Hey guys, let me know how much SHIB you got. Let me know how much SHIB you got in the chat. I'd love to know. No, I'd love to know how much you got in the chat. Mika, Shiba Inu to the moon. Yeah, rocket emojis. Love it. Love it. Those that missed out on Dogecoin craze are eager to find the next big thing. Shiba Inu seems to have positioned their market entrance perfectly to capture this wave, as the network has experienced some impressive growth since its inception. Again, still a top 30 coin, guys. Shiba Inu has a market cap of 13.2 billion. Well, not so much anymore, around 6 or 7 now. The platform has seen an increase in value of a lot percent in the last 30 days. Okay. Liquidity for the new project, right? Okay, let's take a look at this. For example, Binance listed SHIB. The token's price doubled. Even more impressive is that Zal, Binance's CEO, tweeted that the exchange ran out of ETH deposit addresses due to SHIB today. Wow, that's interesting. Went on to explain that this was the first time this ever happened to the exchange. So, that'll be a huge catalyst, guys, if more places like Binance add SHIB. Robinhood would be a big one. I mean, that would obviously be a huge one because there's so many retail investors on Robinhood that just go to the crypto space. Right now, they only have, 5 coins available there, right? You can get Litecoin, you can get Ethereum, you can get Bitcoin, you get ETH Classic, and you can get Doge, right? I think that's it. I'm pretty sure that's it. So you can get those 5. And a lot of people on Robinhood, guys. I know they've had their issues in the past, but there's still a growing number of people on the platform. In fact, during the height, this is interesting, during the height of their scandal, people were still downloading the app at record numbers. Of course, they're in a legal battle right now, speaking of Robinhood, but I was actually listening to Meet Kevin. Meet Kevin's a great YouTuber, somebody I really like to listen to. He's super informative. He actually dropped some really good knowledge the other night in one of his videos, saying that even though that they're, in some legal trouble or at least going through the legal ranks right now, that stuff doesn't shake out until 2-3 years from now, right? So a lot of people that are panicking if they've got some money in Robinhood, I think you're okay at least for the next 2-3 years, right? Because that's how long the legal system takes to shake those things out. So, and who knows, by that time, Robinhood could have already, it could be a drop in the bucket, right? Whatever that fine is, it'll probably end up being a slap on the wrist, right? We'll probably look back on it and just say, well, that was a little blip on the record, and here we are 2 years later, still adding record number of people to the platform. Welcome in everybody new. Mark, Robinhood's most popular. Yeah, it is mostly popular in the USA, but wouldn't you agree, Mark, that it would be a huge catalyst for SHIB? I mean, especially at this price target. Can you imagine how many people would just go over to the crypto space on Robinhood, take a look at it, and just say, why the heck not, right? I mean, it's like fractions of a penny. I think a lot of money would come into SHIB. That's just my personal opinion there. Okay, this is important to read too, guys. Shiba Inu does have risks. I mentioned this too. I don't want to, steer you in a way that's, I obviously like the coin, right? But I don't want to sit here and say that you should dump your whole life savings in here. This is a really high risk play, okay? It's vital to understand that the Shiba Inu has had an excellent start. However, the platform is new. That's also a reason not to panic. It is new, and at the time, all investing is mostly speculative in nature. ChangePen echoes these thoughts, which then he labeled the project as existing, but very high risk. Right, we know this. The key for SHIB is to capture this momentum. That's the thing. Capture this momentum. Capture this news. Capture Vitalik. Capture maybe another place like Binance. Perhaps it's Robinhood. Perhaps it's Coinbase that adds the coin here in the near distant future. That would be great. Another thing I want to mention. I know I mentioned this last night too. Sandeep Nawal, the co-founder of Polygon, who also heads up the COVID relief fund in India, has come out and said, this has been 2 days ago now, that he's going to be careful as he's releasing the amount of SHIB. He understands the crypto space, guys. It's not just somebody heading up the COVID relief fund who's never invested in a crypto, right? He understands the community's here, the community's backing it. He's the co-founder of Polygon, right? So he has an opportunity here to not only help Polygon, which I think we already see that's up, right? That's up today and doing well. But he also has a chance to boost his presence in the space, right, with the SHIB army. And I think if he were smart, he would take advantage of that, right? And I think he knows that. I think he will. I think that'll be a nice catalyst for us. It is good that they're slowly releasing the coins, right? Slowly liquidating the coins. Shiba Inu seeks to provide users with more earning potential. The main goal behind the project was to create, an ERC20 token, an ecosystem that was priced low enough that anyone could own millions of them. They deliberately launched the project tokens priced well below a penny. The strategy is to make the platform profitable just by hitting 1 cent. To that extent, the developers have succeeded so far. Yeah, definitely. Definitely, right? We just want to get to that 1 cent. That's the big one. That's the big one for us. Just get to 1 cent. Aside from the chance to earn some profits, Shiba Inu is all about having fun. Exactly, we are having fun. Meme tokens are really designed to help bring familiarity to the blockchain sector. When people see the adorable Shiba Inu, it helps them relax and not feel so overwhelmed with their shift to decentralized economy. This is true. I mean, it is funny, but it is cool. I mean, it's true too. It's not just they're not just blowing smoke. There is something about the logo and branding. I think that does play a part. I think that played a huge part with Dogecoin, right? There's no doubt. Obviously, you want these other catalysts like Elon backing your coin, things like that, but a lot of it is branding, right? Think about some of the greatest products in the world, right? Nike. I mean, what do you think of when you think of Nike? It's the swoosh, right? That's what sells. It's the branding. So the branding is important in this space as well, just like everything else. How does Shiba Inu work? Shiba Inu is an Ethereum-based token. Again, guys, talk about that all the time. Ethereum-based token. However, it's not proof of stake yet. Okay, it is not proof of stake yet, but they're trying to transition it to be a proof of stake coin. I think if that takes place, that's another catalyst. That's another thing that would help SHIB. Again, proof of stake, something Elon has just backed, something that all of the new cryptocurrencies that are proof of stake are having success with, right? Ethereum, proof of stake, that's ETH 2.0. Cardano, proof of stake. Polygon, proof of stake. Chainlink, right? Go down the line of the proof of stake coins, and they're all doing pretty well. Ethereum's the largest decentralized dApp and token ecosystem. I always say coin. I'm sorry. I know it's a token. I always say coin. I apologize. I can't get that out of my head. I'll try my best. The platform supports over 20,000 or 200,000 tokens and thousands of networks built atop its infrastructure. Of course, Sheba Swap, we're waiting for that to come out. SHIB is the main utility token of the Shiba Inu ecosystem. This token serves multiple purposes such as paying fees and rewards. You can also use it as a cryptocurrency. Users can send value globally in seconds using SHIB, as we saw with Vitalik in India. It's secure and reliable because it leverages Ethereum's blockchain. Okay, SHIB was launched with 100 billion tokens. Of course, we have a much bigger circulating supply now. Leash is the second token with Shiba Inu protocol. Interesting. The goal of Leash is to offer a synth to hedge the price of Doge on the ETH blockchain. Hence why it's called the Dogecoin blank, right? This token is also meant to include scarcity as one of its core protocols. Leash is designed so that every day at 6:30 a.m. the price of Leash will rebase to 1,000 slash 1 the price of Doge. Okay, 1,000th of the price of Doge. The developers intend to launch 100,000 leash tokens over the life of the project. Okay, here's Bone. Insert burn. I know we've been talking a lot about Bone, right? Shiba Inu's developers plan to launch DeFi token called Bone. Okay, this token will serve a vital role in the core protocol of the Shiba Swap DEX. Users will be able to stake this token and earn rewards in the future. So this is going to be a staking coin. This will be super helpful, right? Earning rewards in the future. Think of the Dogecoin, which is up there right now, right, where you get 2% APY back just for holding the coin. Algorand is another one where you get 6% just for holding the coin. You get these lifetime rewards. Even when you sell the coin, you still have these rewards, and they come back to you in cash. These are great places, these stable places like a Dogecoin. Great place to just keep your tokens. It's going to earn you some money, earn you some interest while you wait for those Cardanos of the world, the Polygons, the Shiba Inus to dip to places that you like, to where you can enter into those tokens or those coins. Okay, Sheba Swap Exchange. I know there's been a lot of questions about this, and I want to get some insight here from this article and get this out to all of you. The Sheba Swap Exchange is a decentralized exchange. It's a DEX. This non-custodial platform will enable network participants to trade their tokens with other ERC20 compatible tokens directly from their wallets. Non-custodial exchanges are generally more secure than central exchanges because they don't hold large amounts of cryptocurrency to entice hackers, which is also a nice thing about Sheba Swap. Sheeb Swap. I always say Sheba Swap. I guess it's Sheeb Swap. Either way, we're waiting for Sheeb Swap, right? And we did get a little bit of insight. I know, Trevor, you had mentioned something earlier in stream, right, regarding Sheeb Swap. Sheeb developer mentioned today, I'm reading your old post, that Sheeb Swap will be performing tests with 100 admins on Monday, which is great. Release date was not said, but certainly a good sign. It is good that we're moving forward. Monday, we're getting some tests done with Sheeb Swap. So look out, tomorrow for some news. I should be able to stream tomorrow, so we'll be on the lookout for that. Mark, what's staking the price to go up, especially taking? Okay, just responding to Trevor. Good stuff. Yeah, Mofo, I agree, man. Help me grow the channel. Hit that like button. Hit the subscribe button. Welcome to the community if you're new. A lot of returners in here. Jason, how you doing? Rover Inu is the next coin. Okay. Tell us about it. What do you know about it? We'll take a look at it in a little bit. That's cool. Vishay, welcome. 0.01 in 2 years. I like that. Daryl, how you doing? Okay, cool. Thanks. Yeah. Sweater Films, how you doing, man? Gene Tech, welcome back in. Hold strong. I like it, Trevor. Like it. Charles McGowan, welcome back in. 9.5 million in holding. Let us know how much SHIB you guys got in chat, guys. Let us know how much you're holding. How much you recently bought. Let us know. Good stuff. All right. Tricks, welcome. Holding 25 mil. Welcome in, man. Welcome in. All right, getting some new people in chat too. That's cool. That's very cool. Make sure you like up the stream, guys. Like up the stream. Subscribe to the channel. Let's keep reading this article. This is a really good one. Really good article. A lot of good stuff in here. Shiba Inu Artist Incubator. Another unique aspect of Shiba Inu project is the Artist Incubator. Right. So this is going to talk about how it's going to be good for artists, right? Musicians. They're hoping that something like this could turn into the could lend itself to the NFT space, right? The non-fungible token space. If you're new to that idea, check out Rarible.com or Mintable.com, where people are selling digital art, digital assets, usually for ETH. It's a really interesting place. Let us know in chat if you do have questions about NFTs. I'm still learning each and every day about NFTs, but I do have a base of a knowledge. I have some knowledge on NFTs because I myself am interested in it. I'm intrigued by it and want to learn more. So this is interesting, right? It could be part of their NFT project. I think this would be a huge catalyst. I really, really do. The website invites artists from across the globe to submit their work to be part of the NFT market. This would be a really, really big piece to the puzzle for Shiba Inu. One of the best parts about Shiba Inu doesn't have anything to do with blockchain. Interesting. The developers have set up the network to integrate Amazon Smile. This interconnectivity allows users to donate to help save the lives of real Shiba Inus. According to developers, there are thousands of these dogs seeking new homes. Interesting. I didn't know this aspect. The project hopes to play a vital role in accomplishing this task. Okay, interesting. I didn't know it was Amazon Smile. I didn't know that aspect of it. Interesting. History of SHIB. It entered the market in 2020. It was launched by a group of anonymous developers. The main developer goes by the name Ryoshi. According to his own post, Ryoshi did not pre-mine or hold any Shiba Inu. Uniquely, the token launched via a Uniswap IEO. The developers locked up 50% of the project's liquidity in the Uniswap pool. Okay. Vitalik, maybe about, okay, they're going to talk about what happened here with Vitalik project. The developers then, in an unusual move, sent 505 trillion SHIB to the address of Ethereum co-founder Vitalik Buterin. The developers had hoped that Buterin would hodl the tokens. However, Vitalik Buterin quickly donated the crypto to COVID relief fund, as we know, set up by Sandeep Nawal, a cryptocurrency entrepreneur from New Delhi. At the time, the coins were equal to 2 billion. The move flooded the market, and as you would expect, it dropped the price of the token by 50%. In the end, this also dropped his total donation to 1 billion to the COVID fund, which is still amazing. Okay, guys, it is important to note, though, I know I mentioned this a couple times before, but Sandeep Nawal, co-founder of Polygon, has already come out on Twitter and said, hey, SHIB holders, no need to worry, right? So he's putting his own reputation on the line here, guys. I mean, he's in the crypto space. He's the co-founder of Polygon. He's putting his reputation out there on the line saying, SHIB holders, you're okay, right? Don't panic. So it would be a total bad look if he didn't try to help the SHIB army out. Just putting that out there, okay? I don't have a crystal ball. I don't know Sandeep personally. I don't know what he's thinking. I can't get inside his head. But he did say that he's out here to help us and help grow, obviously, his coin, his co-founded coin, Polygon. So, how to buy Sheeb. So here's a couple for anybody still looking to get in. Binance, best for Australia, Canada, Singapore, UK, most of the world. USA residents, of course, can't get on Binance. There is Binance US. Use the discount for 10%. Not sure whose discount that is. Best exchange for USA residents is Gate.io. I can tell you I got it on Crypto.com. Right now, no fees on Crypto.com. A little tidbit for the next 30 days. If you're a new trader there, this channel is not sponsored by Crypto.com, but maybe with your help, you can get us there. We're at 25 likes. We might need 35 in order for Crypto.com to sponsor the channel. Make sure you subscribe as well. All right, Shiba Inu, a new approach to meme tokens. The developers behind the SHIB token definitely did their research. Platform promises to combine a variety of top features, notable trends to provide more market movement. Also, the ultra-low price of these tokens has helped them to see growing interest. As the project's still new, it's crucial that you only invest what you're willing to lose. Right, I've been harping on this for as many times as I've been on stream, which is like, I think still less than 5. But nonetheless, I've still been harping on this. If you're willing to risk the loss, Shiba Inu could provide you with excitement you desire. Always DYOR and invest responsibly. DYOR, name that acronym in the chat. Name that acronym. DYOR. Name that acronym in the chat. All right, welcome in. Let me jump back over to the chat. We've got some new people coming in. Hey, hey, Dave. Welcome back in, man. Crypto Lord, welcome back. Welcome back. Slim Jim, how you doing, man? Cicero, how you doing? Yo, Gavin, how you doing? Holding a lot of sheep. Nice, brother. Nice. Welcome in, Kyle. How you doing? Eric Chavez, welcome back. Welcome back. Awesome, awesome. Kyle got in a good spot. That's awesome, dude. Daryl, why do some call SHIB a pump and dump? So the pump and dump thing, Daryl, is there's this kind of narrative that a lot of coins are pumped up and then dumped, and then they are in search for the next coin to pump and then dump, right? So pump the price up, take your profits, get out of it. This coin started as a pump and dump, I think, but I think now it has kind of evolved into a little bit more than that, and that's why I'm so intrigued by it. That's why I'm so interested in it, because of what's happened with the coin as it relates to Vitalik sending, the coins to India. Now it's kind of linked to COVID relief fund over there, right? There's more and more exposure to it. It's a top 30 coin. You can't say that for a lot of these quote-unquote pump and dump coins. Most of those are not even on the first page of CoinMarketCap, right? Right now it's number 29, so in CoinMarketCap. So you could say it's a pump and dump, but I don't know. I mean, it's a top 30 coin, so I don't really think it's necessarily dumped. We're still at our support level too, guys, at 1.5. All right, so Joey, I'm not even concerned about the price. I think I'm just watching because I support Sheba. Yeah, man. Yeah, exactly, dude. Yeah, this is more of a community just to hang out, talk crypto. Um, I guess I've been told from a lot of people. I guess I bring up a positive spin on things, which I'll take that. I'll take that. So if you're down with that, make sure you subscribe to the channel, like the video up. Pablo, what's up, man? Will Sheba explode soon? 1 to 2 years? I hope so, brother. Hope so. I think so. Don P, welcome back, man. True OG. Mark, can you please check on Sheba volume and explain it a bit? Yeah, we could take a look at that too, Don. But Mark is definitely super knowledgeable. He's been sending me some stuff all day. Let's see here. Gate.io, not a USA option. Ben, I have 103 million. What's my rank in Shiba Army? You're up there, brother. You're up there. Jason, welcome to the channel, man. Savage Trader, yeah, Sheeb. Like, nice. Becky, welcome back in, man. Shiba sleep too much. Mark, volume's a bit low. Yeah, we could take a look at the volume a little bit, actually. It's overbought or sold. Probably a little bit sold, but definitely need more buying volume. Yeah, we'll take a look at that right here. Yeah, volume's definitely down a little bit. But, market cap's down too, Dawn, to 6.1. But here's the thing. We're still holding our line here at 1.5. Still holding our line. We're still on that top shelf. I mean, guys, it's a top 30 coin still, right? So I don't think there's any reason to panic. Not yet. It's top 30 coin. Especially with the news Mark let us know of with Shiba Swap, or no, it wasn't Mark, it was actually Trevor who let us know. Trevor, appreciate that too. They're working on Shiba Swap. They've got something coming out Monday where a couple of admins are going to test it out. So that would lead me to believe that next week we should start hearing some things about Shiba Swap. And what I mean by hearing things, seeing things in some news articles, right? Some people picking up like, what is this? What's this going to do for the coin, right? Just kind of generating some interest, right? Some interest level in the coin. So let's take a look at the Google Trends. Actually, we haven't done that yet. We'll take a look at Shiba and see what kind of action we're getting on Google. Of course, now this does capture YouTube as well. Google owns YouTube. Past 12 months, we don't want that. We'll take 1 day. Take the 1 day on Sheeb. Okay, so we started off. Wow. Okay. In the early hours, this is the past day, guys. So the middle of the night last night, we were getting a lot of exposure. Actually, we've come down a little bit here. See, it'll be interesting to see if we trend back up as we go into the evenings, right? But we're still getting some good exposure. Let's take a look at SafeMoon along with it, just to kind of see. So there you go. All right, so just comparing these two guys, I'll put Dogecoin in there too. Dogecoin tends to be the highest one above all of them, but this just kind of gives you an idea, right? Shiba, SafeMoon, Doge, just throw them all in there. Doge, yellow line, obviously a ton of interest. Shiba, right in between there. So you like to see that. More people are still intrigued with Shiba opposed to SafeMoon recently, right, in the past day. Take a look at the past 4 hours. Come in here a little bit closer. Welcome in, guys. Welcome into the chat. If you're new here, make sure you hit the like button, subscribe to the channel. So, would appreciate it. Okay, yeah, a lot of the same story here in the 4 hour. This is actually pretty good news, guys, right? A lot of people are still intrigued with this, okay? It's holding interest, which is good. Okay, Mark, holding the MC and the TV is down means we're holding, the traders are leaving. We just need more buyers getting in. Yes, we do. Jose, vamos. I don't know Spanish, but welcome to the stream, brother. Welcome. Kyle, weekend's always down. Yeah. Is that a trend you're seeing? Okay. I'm Vasco. I'm Vasco. I only have 100. Do you think putting in ADA? I think that's a really good bet. Yeah, man. ADA is a solid one. If you want another one, again, this is just my opinion. Just my opinion with $100. One that hasn't really broke out yet that I really like. VeChain, man. It's number 18 in market cap. See, it's 17 cents. So the reason why I say that is with $100, if this thing does start moving rapidly, you might be able to get more return on your initial investment. However, if you're asking me for which coin, if I just had to pick one or the other, leave the price at the doorstep, I would go Cardano. I would go Cardano. But with just $100 that you're going to initially put in, which is totally fine, man, totally fine. VeChain would probably be a good one if you want, you know, someday a high return, because I really believe in VeChain. Right, it's trading sideways, so it's a good thing. Yeah, we'll take a look at it. We'll take a look. SHIB, we'll pull it up. Do you hold Dogecoin and SHIB? I do, Daryl. I hold both. Yeah, I hold both. We need to do something. Uh-oh, chat's starting to move a little bit. We're growing the viewers. Love to see it. We're closing in on 200 viewers. Make sure you guys like up the video. Would really appreciate that. We need to help me out with the YouTube algorithm. It could be pretty rough sometimes, you know. Got to push this out to some more people. Would really appreciate it. Pablo, we need something like the explosion of the Dogecoin. Yeah, we need another catalyst, right? I think SHIB swap will definitely be that. We're hoping that by next week, you know, we get some news on that front. That would be great. Take a look at the 7-day. Don P. Rolo in 6 years maybe. Must be a price target, right? Waiting for Monday explosions. I hear you, Kyle. Yeah, we're still trading sideways, guys. Right, here's your 7-day. So, what do we got here? From about May 13th, right? We were at 1.7. I mean, we're still right in there. Okay, so we're okay. I mean, 13th, 14th, 15th. Here we are. You know, trading sideways on this top shelf. We're okay. I mean, we're just, you know, volume buyers are a little bit down, but that's okay. Johnson's, everyone like and subscribe. Appreciate you, brother. Appreciate you. Rolo, will Sheba hit 1 cent? Guys, I got to say this too. Rolo, I do think it'll hit 1 cent. I don't know anything about this. I am totally new. So eventually I'm going to need some people to help me out with, I guess, admins in the chat. I guess that's something you do. Last night we did have one slight issue where somebody kind of spammed the chat. You know, I don't know how often that happens. I guess it probably happens more as channels grow. So anybody interested in being an admin, helping out in that area, send me a tweet. It's at Z_Humphreys. Just if you want to follow me there or just DM me, however you can get a hold of me there, at Z_Humphreys. If you're interested in that, I'm probably going to need that in the near future. So that would certainly be helpful if you can shoot me a message there for something that interests you. Again, all your knowledge would help. Again, I don't know one thing from another when it comes to this streaming stuff. So I know like eventually I probably need to add on some links, and so any knowledge you have, not in chat, of course, but send me a message over at Twitter. That would be super helpful. Why SHIB goes down? Well, it hasn't really gone down, Nate. It's just kind of trading sideways. See, I mean, it's down a little bit, but you know, not too much. Where's everyone from? I'm from Australia. Cool, Tricks. Welcome, man. From Australia? Awesome. Weekend trades are mostly on the low side. Okay. Mosin, welcome in. Holding 245 mil. Fingers crossed. Yeah, man. Cool. Welcome. What's your thoughts on SCRT? Jason, SCRT. We'll take a look at the chart real quick for you. SCRT. Haven't heard of it. Secret. Let's take a look. Okay, 267 price. Number 277 in market rank. That's not too bad. Take a look at the one-day charts. Secret chart. I don't know anything about this, so I'm going to just do a brief synopsis on this, just a brief overview, just to kind of see what the heck's going on with this thing. Decentralized network for private, secure computation. Nodes on the network. Okay. Developers can provide or can build decentralized secret apps on the network. Interesting. On the surface, looks like a pretty cool idea. Down a little bit on the 1 day. Let's take a look at the 7-day for you on the SCRT chart. It's down. So if you know more than I do about the coin, it would probably be a good buying time. It is down right now. So if you believe in it, but yeah, I just don't know enough about it to give you much more than that. But maybe somebody else does in chat. This is a community where we help each other out, so maybe somebody else does in chat. All right, so Sheep to the moon or what? Of course, Andrew. Welcome in, brother. Welcome in. Savage Trader, buy Doge, wait for it to hit 60 and 70 again. Yeah, let's take a look at Doge, actually, see where it is. I know earlier it was at like 56 cents, trading about 50 cents right now. We'll take a closer look at Doge. Josh, XRP is going to be number one. You think so? I'm not a huge XRP fan. I know it was up a little bit today. I know it was a little up today, but I know a lot of people are, so I get it. Slim Jim, calling, jumping in from Germany. Appreciate it, man. Thanks for being here. Appreciate you. Trevor, welcome in from Florida. Welcome in. All the way from Trinidad and Tobago. Welcome, man. Welcome in. I actually got mistaken one time from somebody. I was in London, and somebody asked me if I was from Trinidad or Morocco, which I thought was interesting. And then he heard me talk, and he's like, "Oh, you're American." Yeah. So Trix, welcome in. Taj, what's up, man? Welcome in. Slim Jim, okay, gotcha. Drew, you only lose if you sell. That's it, man. You don't lose if you hodl. You don't lose if you hodl. Buy the dips, Julio. I agree with you, brother. Regolio, how you doing? Thought on Cardano. Love Cardano, Regolio. One of my favorites. One of my biggest holdings. It's been moving great lately too, right? Up to 218, up almost 35% in the 7-day. Cardano is one of my favorites, brother. Love it. Jack, welcome in. Is now the time to buy Sheba or wait for more dips? Well, it's right at that support level, Jack. So if you believe in it, it hasn't gone much lower than where it is right now. So from that, logic, I would say it's a pretty good time to get in. It has not dipped, at least in the last 3 days, from where we are right now. It hasn't dipped much lower than that. Okay. In fact, I don't think it's dipped lower than that at all. So we're right at our support level, as long as we're still in that 1.5 range. Where are we at? Let's see. Still at number 29 market cap. Yeah. So if you believe in it, yeah, now's a good time. Dong, both going down. What are both going down? Doge and Sheeb. How you doing, man? Play Maj, how you doing? From the Philippines. Welcome in. Welcome in, Maj. How you doing? Kyle, you can earn an interest in Nexo wallet. I earn 8% interest on my Tether. Very nice tidbit. Appreciate that. I don't use Tether, but I know it has nice interest. So Kyle, do you park your coins there or park your money with whatever app you use until you're ready to buy something else? I'm assuming that's what you do. Good tidbit there, Kyle. Pablo, how you doing? Holding 7.5 mil, and I think buying more next week. Okay, cool. Jeremiah's Truck Channel, how you doing, man? Doubting, I'm doubling down with Sheeb. I hear you, brother. Mofo Worthy, like and sub. Oh, yeah. Appreciate you, Mofo. You're becoming a big supporter of the channel. Appreciate you, man. Francisco, how you doing? Callie in the house. Welcome, welcome. Slits, I love your mustache. Thanks, brother. Appreciate it. Josh from the desert of Arizona. How you doing, man? How you doing? Nick, have a bunch of BTT. How you feel about its future? BTT. Let's take a look. BitTorrent. I know it's popular right now. Don't know a lot about it. But let's take a look at the charts. Welcome in, everybody. If you're new here, make sure you like up the video. Appreciate it. Okay, we're on a downward trend. I can say that much, huh? On BTT. Thanks for joining here, Nick. Appreciate you, man. Make sure you subscribe to the channel too. That would mean the world to me. Appreciate that. All right, 24-hour high is 0.006143. So, okay, you're at a good spot to buy if you really believe in this thing right now, right? Take a look at the 1 month. Haven't been this low in quite some time, right? Since back in April, right? So if you're a believer in this, sounds like you might know more than I do about this. It's a good opportunity, you know. If somebody else knows a little bit more about this, I'll just take a quick brief here. What is BitTorrent? I always like to scroll down and just say what makes BitTorrent unique. I like to read this. Under Tron, okay, BitTorrent has expanded its. I do know Tron. BitTorrent has expanded its user appeal to those interested in decentralized solutions and cryptocurrency. Okay, BitTorrent has also branched out into paid services, premium versions of the platform, which include VPN capabilities. Interesting. Ad-free browsing. I like the ideas here, Nick. I do like the ideas here. You know, this is something that's become a growing interest for a lot of people, right? In terms of privacy online, a lot of people now switching over to a VPN. Little tidbit here too, it does help you reach more things on Netflix when you use a VPN. All of a sudden you get videos from all over the world, right? Depending on where your VPN is. So Yeah, I like the idea. I like the premise. Don't know much more than that. In terms of the charts, looks like a good buying opportunity. So if it's something you like, I would say jump on it, brother. Okay, but you got to make that choice. I mean, that's just my opinion. You know, and obviously I told you very surface level on that. I have not done a deep dive on that coin. So Fifi, welcome. How do you buy SafeMoon? I don't own SafeMoon. I'm not sure. Somebody in chat will definitely be able to help you out though. And somebody in chat, let Fifi know where she can get SafeMoon. Battle Mitch, ADA is the future. I agree, brother. It's a great hedge against Cardano. And I say against Cardano, but I own both. Or I'm sorry, against Ethereum. Cardano is a good hedge against Ethereum, but it's not to say you can't have both. It's not to say you can't have both. I think they're both going to be big players. Hello, there was a volume spike in Dent last 30 minutes. What does that mean? Dent, I'm not sure. Not sure about that one. I'm not sure about Dent. Holding bags of BTT and win. Okay, Anthony, there you go. BTT is Tron. Yeah, okay. Yeah, I got that now. BTT is Tron. Yeah. All right. Let's see what else we got here. BS Moves. DGB, please. DGB, please. What's is that? What is that? Is it Doggy Boat or something? DGB. It's Digibyte. Okay. Guys, you got to apologize. I apologize. I don't look at a lot of these coins that are way down on the market cap, right? I guess this is actually up there. This is number 80. Interesting. Okay. This is something I should be looking at. Okay, Digibyte chart. This is interesting. 1 day is down. 7 day is down. 1 month is slightly up. Interesting. Market cap is over 2 billion. Oh no, market cap is over 1 billion, 1.5 billion. What's this about here, DGB? What's DGB all about? It's an open source blockchain. Okay. As a fork of Bitcoin. Interesting. Okay. I'm going to be honest with you guys. Right now, at this present moment, not a huge fan of Bitcoin or a fork of Bitcoin. At this present moment, right? Right now, I'm really into the proof of stake, Ethereum-based tokens. That's kind of where I'm at right now. What makes Digibyte unique? Digibyte's modification of Bitcoin, which aims to diversify security, speed, and capacity possibilities. Okay, its first incarnation was as an open source blockchain associated cryptocurrency DGB. The network has 5 separate algorithms which help to maintain security. Okay, but what does it do? Okay, smart contracts. I do like this idea, smart contracts. So smart contracts, for those of you not understanding what these are, smart contracts allow you to go and send money person to person, P2P, peer to peer, right? Now, if you want to wire money, using the regular financial system, you have to do a wired transfer, right? That takes a long time, right? Sometimes weeks, oftentimes up to a week, many days. Smart contracts allow you to do that very, very quickly, right? It's peer-to-peer transaction, so I do like that. I do like that. Do like that idea. All right, a lot of new people in here. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Make sure you like up the video. Appreciate you being here. Okay, so that's a little rundown on Digibyte. Thanks for dropping this in here. I didn't know this. This is something to look at, actually. I'm going to make a note of this to look a little bit deeper in this. It's number 80 market cap. I usually like to look at coins that are in the top 100 that not a lot of people are talking about, right? Just to kind of see where they're at, because those are the coins that all of a sudden, show up on the top 25, top 30, and you're like, what the heck? Where did this come from, right? So let's see where SHIB's at, just to make sure we're still in the top 30 market cap-wise. And we are. We're still number 29. Still sitting at our support levels. Market cap still sitting about where we were. So we'll continue to watch that. Sarah bought SHIB $6,000. $6,000 worth? That's a lot. That's a lot of SHIB. But that's awesome. That's good. Alex, here's my man. Okay. Any thoughts on... Okay, there we go. I've caught up on chat. Any thoughts? Correct me if I'm wrong. SHIB and Doge are running by one group, and they will kick everyone ass at the end of this job. I don't think they're running by the same group. They are both meme coins, so they're somewhat related in that aspect, but they don't have the same developers. At least we don't think, right? Because Shiba Inu's developer could just be going under a pseudo name. You know what I mean? It could be. Technically, it could be the person who created Doge, because the person who created Doge has actually removed himself from the project. So, is there a chance that that same person went off and made the spinoff Shiba Inu? Possibly. We don't really know. Possibly. That is possible. But yeah, they are related in that way, that they're both meme coins. BTT is also like the old Frostwire. Okay, yeah. Frostwire, LimeWire. Yeah, for sure. Um, exactly. Yeah, where all the file sharing happened, right? Then everything went digital. I remember that stuff. I remember LimeWire, Frostwire, right? Getting all those viruses just to hear the song you wanted, right? Definitely, man. Founded rookies, hello. Hey, how you doing, man? Welcome to the stream. Welcome. Rogelio Torres, how you doing? What does everyone do after the bull runs? What do we do after the bull runs? We come on stream and we celebrate. We pop bottles. How about that? Prediction for Cardano. I'll tell you what, BitBoy Crypto, somebody I really respect in the space. He knows a lot more than I do. I'm going to be just completely up front with you on that. He just came out. He just went across 1 million followers, 1 million subscribers, I should say, on YouTube. BitBoy Crypto just came out with a video today that I watched. He's got a bullish price target on Cardano for $20 $20 on Cardano. Now that's his super bullish price target. I like, somewhere in that $10 to $12 range on Cardano, and I got into Cardano in the $1 range, so right around $1.10, $1.11. Love Cardano, love Cardano. Super bullish on it. All right, chat's heating up. Appreciate you guys. If you're in here, we need one more like for 100. Who's going to be the 100th like? I appreciate that. Come on, who's going to get me there? Need 100 likes. Push this out to people. I really appreciate it. Okay, so subscribe to the channel too. Guys, I'm going to have to get to, this is pretty crazy how this is growing. I'm not going to lie to you. This is pretty awesome. So I think I'm going to get to the subscribers pretty quick, because on YouTube to get monetized, I think you need 1,000 subscribers. I think we're going to get there just with doing the live chats. I think we're growing the community out. It's going to be a little tougher getting those 4,000 watch hours. So I'm going to start putting more videos out, because that's how you get those public watch hours. So I'm going to have to start putting a lot more of those videos out, so you guys can go check those out too. So really appreciate you guys all being here. This is super cool. Growing a really cool community. Dong, I buy Sheeb at point. Yeah, okay. That's a good spot. Any spot's a good spot. Cardano's on sale. If you're just starting, it won't be this low. I hear you. I think so too. I mean, Cardano, while it might be close to an all-time high technically, I just still think this has so much room to run. I truly do. What was the 24-hour high? 237. So you're a little off the 237 to 24-hour high. So, but I'm with you, man. I love this coin in the long term. Really do. Jerry got 70 million at the moment and acquiring more. Hold. Ride the wave to prosperity, folks. I'm with you, Jerry. With you, brother. Darian, look at it. Munch token. All right, I'll take a look at it for you in a minute. I'll take a look at it. Munch token. Sarah, if it goes to half a penny, I will get 1.5 mil. Hold on, let me write down Munch token so I don't forget. Munch token. What is this? We'll check that out in a minute. Hold on one sec, guys. I gotta get a sip of water. I'm talking a lot. Okay. Ice Painting. I got Cardano at 187. That's good. That's solid, man. 187 is great. That's great. You're sitting nice right now. I think Cardano's got a really bright future. Really bright future. Okay, Jamie. Yeah, Shiba Inu. Like it. Sorry, getting late info on this. No problem, man. No problem. Savage, haha, yes, a song that sometimes was not complete. Yeah, sometimes on LimeWire, Frostwire. Then you would get like the ones that were like these crazy remixes that somebody did in their basement. You're like, it would take you like 20 minutes to download the song, and then you'd finally get it and listen to it, and you're like, shit, that's not the one I wanted, right? That's not the actual song. Yeah, man, that brings me back a few years, that's for sure. But I lived through that. I lived through the file sharing era. That's for sure. A lot of viruses were thrown around. Viruses on the computer, that is, right? Okay, Kyle, Mina Shina with your external hard drive. Okay. Adrian, what about Sheba? what about it? We love it. What about it, Adrian? It's top 30 coin. I know that much, right? Number 29 still. We got some support. We're trading sideways the past 3 days. Waiting on SHIB swap. That's going to be a big catalyst. So, yeah. Don P, please tell me if you know The Rock. Yeah, The Rock would be a great catalyst, Don. Yeah, that would be sick. Crypto market is done. Save your money. Okay, HSV. Everyone's entitled to their own opinion. Ruskill, Kate Coin. Okay, all right, I'll write it down. Eventually, we'll go over and look at some of these. I'm not going to do it right away, but I'll write it down. Okay, Roos? I'll write down Kate Coin and check it out for you, but you got to like the video and subscribe to the channel, okay? Can we do that? Is that an even trade? Chia is a joke right now. Waiting for mining next week. I guess you're Jason. Are you talking about Chia or Sheba? Well, welcome to the channel. Regardless, make sure you like up the stream, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Is it smart to day trade Sheba? I don't think right now. It's trading sideways right now. I mean, I'm not a day trader, to be honest with you, Jelly. So, not the best person to ask. But looking at the charts right now, I would kind of wait to see what happens if I'm day trading. Steven, he said BitBoy Crypto. I did, yeah, BitBoy Crypto. Yeah, he's an awesome dude, man. I mean, I respect the hell out of that dude. I learn a lot from him. So hopefully you guys are learning from others in the chat. I'm learning from me a little bit, and I'm going to learn from you too. That's the kind of community we're building. Let's talk Sheba. Kyle Voss, what's up, man? Of course, brother. Always talking Sheba. All right, just bought another 8,000 mil Sheba. Nice, brother. Underground, welcome in, welcome in. Dan, hey, what's up, man? Back on that support line again, Dan. Yes, sir. How you doing, brother? Rick Lacey. Dan is a true OG. So is Dawn. Dan and Dawn, true OGs. We got a lot of them now. Mark, the Johnsons. Oh, yeah. What's up, guys? What's up? How we doing? Mub season is now a good time to enter into Cardano. Dude, I think right now, the way this thing is running, the hype around it, I think, yeah. I mean, even though it's setting highs and yeah, man, I think as long as you're considering to hold it for the long term, I think it's a good time to get in, man. I do think it's a good time to get in. Because I think this thing's going to continue to run. Speaking of Cardano, truly do. Okay, Epic Joe, you think Shiba Coin will go up even though the owner sold 1 billion? I do. I think the SHIB swap coming out next week, they're going to test it on Monday. I think that'll be a nice catalyst. I think eventually it'll be added to different exchanges as well. I'll tell you the one that I really, really am hoping that there's some legs to this rumor is Robinhood. I think if Robinhood were to add a Shiba Inu coin to the mix, they only have, correct me if I'm wrong, 5 coins that trade right now on Robinhood. I think it's Ethereum, it's Bitcoin, it's Ethereum Classic, it's Litecoin, and Dogecoin. So they only have 5 there. So if they were to add one, why not add one like Shiba Inu? In fact, guys, how about we do this? Let's tweet at Robinhood. Everybody tweet at Robinhood to add Shiba Inu, right? What if we compiled a group of people that in the next 4 minutes at 9:15, or next 3 minutes, 9:15 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, we all tweet at Robinhood, add Shiba Inu. That would be kind of cool, wouldn't it? So let's do that. Let's create a group to continue to tweet at Robinhood, add Shiba Inu. I think it just fits their platform too. You're going to get a lot of retail investors, a lot of retail money in there. It'll be interesting. It would be interesting. Welcome to the stream, guys. Welcome. Welcome. Anybody new here? Welcome. Welcome. Make sure you like up the video, subscribe to the channel. Okay, let's see. Chat is rolling now. I'm going to try to keep up with all these guys. Mohammed, okay, Mofo subbing like, yes, appreciate that, Mofo. Appreciate you, brother. Son Anderson, I have Shiba, Cardano, and Doge. Nice, brother. Nice portfolio there working. Like it. Ricky, 1 billion in SHIB is nothing. He still has 20% of the SHIB. Okay, yeah. Robert, Shiba will be dead in the end of the year. We'll see, man. But, we're not here to be pessimistic, so I'm just going to tell you that up front. We're going to be pretty optimistic about this coin until proven otherwise, right? And either way, I'm going down with this thing. This is one that I like. It's a top 30 coin. Yeah, it's a meme coin, but it's top 30, man. So I'm riding with this. I don't have my life savings in it, Robert, but you know, it's one that I'm invested in. California dude, everybody calling Shiba trash, said the same thing about Doge. Exactly, pre-April. Yep, same story, California, same story. You listen to them, you lost money. Dude, I didn't get as much money as I should have because I did make that mistake. I made that mistake, guys. I let my Doge go too soon. I made a little bit of profit, could have made a lot more. So I don't want to make that same mistake. So I think if I'm going to hitch my wagon to the next, you know, Dogecoin, if there is one, it's this one, in my opinion. I think it has a storyline, Vitalik. India's now linked to it. It obviously has a growing army right here. It's one of those streams. A lot of other people talk about it in the space, that I know. So it's a top 30 coin, right? It has a lot of things going for it. So with the price it's at, why not, you know, take a risk? I mean, again, only risk what you're willing to lose on this one. It is very risky. Juan, welcome in. Nick, I heard something about Amazon and Sheba. Yeah, we heard some things about that as well. Really couldn't track anything down on that, though, to see if it were true or not. We're still waiting. But if you find something, Nick, let us know in chat. If you find something out there that's willing to share, that you're willing to share with us, hopefully you're willing to share any news you find. That's the community we're trying to build, a community that helps each other. Okay, let's see. Underground, Doge. Yeah, love Doge, man. Love Doge. Let's see here. Luke, Sheeb to 1 cent. Eventually, right? Yeah. Sunkissed. Robinhood also has Lisk and Qtum. Okay, Sunkissed Panay, are you in the US? Because in the United States, I think we only have those 5. So maybe those are listed for you if you're outside the US. That could be the case. Or I'm just missing those. That could be possible. But on my end, I think we only have those 5. Could be wrong on that, but let me know. Just curious, like the name, man. Just curious by nature. I'm with you, bro. So am I. Let's do it, brother. Hopefully you're subscribed to the channel. I like your name already. I've got a good first impression on you. Epic Joe, what's up, man? No Shiba coin, but is there talk about Robinhood having? Well, we were just addressing. I was just mentioning the fact that it would be awesome for the coin. There were a little bit of rumblings, but it was rumored, and they said it was fake news. But you know, if enough people tweeted at Robinhood, maybe we can make it happen, huh? Who knows? Abdul Nasir, well, welcome in, man. Is Sheba going to be the next Dogecoin? I hope so. We think so. That's why we're here, right? We think so. Mohammed Sheba to the moon. Let's do it, brother. TT, bro, check Snow Eno. Okay, dude, don't spam the chat. Don't spam the chat, please. Don't spam the chat. Lord, how you doing, man? I think they're just using Amazon Smile for. Yeah. Safe Moon and Safe Mars. Thomas Jackson, what's up, man? Thomas Jackson, you're still around, dude. Welcome. Let's see here. Safe Moon. Yeah, we could take a look at Safe Moon. I know that's a popular one, and a lot of people hold it. So let's take a look at Safe Moon real quick. Safe Moon making some positive movement here, actually. Let's take a look. Appreciate the new subscriber, Mohammed. Thanks, man. Thank you. Appreciate it. Thanks for joining the community. All right, let's take a look at the 1 day. Let's see here. Welcome in, everybody. If you're new here, make sure you like up the stream. Subscribe to the channel. Man, this thing fluctuates like crazy, guys. Let's come out to the 7 day a little bit. Yeah, it's I guess when you go to the 7 day, it's been kind of pretty consistent, huh? When you come out a little bit, go to the 1 month here. Okay, yeah, it's making some nice runs actually. Man, Safe Moon does look pretty good, guys. It does look pretty good right now. So Safe Moon is, you know, for those who hold it, looking pretty good. Looking pretty good. All right, let's go back to the coin market cap. Take a look at some of the other coins here. Then I'll jump back over and chat. Okay, Bitcoin, guys, down in 46. I mentioned, guys, if you get Bitcoin in the 42s, if it does dip that low, we saw this pressure downward, then it popped back up over 50 just the other day. But if it can get down to the 43, 42, that's when I might take a stab at it. That's just me personally. Ethereum working its way back up to 4 now, sitting at 3.8, which I think on Ethereum that's a good buying opportunity. I think it's a good opening position, in my opinion. This thing has been as high as what, 4.3, almost 4.4, and I think it gets back up there quick. Cardano's been a big mover today, guys. Big, big mover. Look at the 7-day. Look at the week. 45%. Love Cardano. Doge, 51. Oh, Doge, a little bit of movement here. We'll take a look at this. Down 5% today. But still, volume's good. Market cap's good. Let's take a look at the 1-day on Doge. Of course, we got some good news from the Elon tweet last night. Okay, traded, pretty sideways here today. So, I think, as I've mentioned before on this stream, on this channel, I like Doge anytime under 40. Really like Doge under 40. So that's just my personal opinion. I added more. One of our first streams, I think it was the first stream that I came on, I had opened up a position, a new position on Doge before SNL at like 34 cents. And just the other day, 3 days ago, in fact, I can pull this back up. It would drop back down momentarily under 40, and I hopped back on the wagon. I added more. I was glad I did, because then the Elon tweet came out, and this thing went parabolic. So again, anytime under 40, I think it's a really good spot. Was Elon waiting for it to dip under 40 to send out the news? I don't know, maybe. But this thing was way down here, right? This is when I entered in. Literally entered in down here at 38. We got the Elon news. Actually, it might have been at this 38, to be honest with you. Yeah, I think it was actually this dip. I got in at the 12th, and then waited a day or two or whatever, and then boom, got the big news from Elon. So anytime under 40, really like Doge, guys. You can see it doesn't dip down below 40 too much in the 7-day. Okay. Welcome in, everybody new. Make sure you like up the stream. 900 viewers in here. Appreciate you guys. Appreciate you. Welcome in. Take a look at the 1 month on Doge. We're starting to get some, a nice looking trend line in the 1 month on Doge, right? Starting to look really, really nice, actually. Really, you start looking just from May 1st. Here's May 1st. Starting at 39 cents, right? So we're halfway through the month. Look at this. I mean, just from May 1st alone, it's just, obviously we had the, real big spike with SNL, and, it was a buy the rumor, sell the news. That's fine. But still, really, really nice, nice come up here, nice pop, back up over 5. So yeah, really like Doge long term. I think eventually it gets to, I'll throw out a number tonight. And again, this is just me thinking it through. I think we get to $1 by the end of the year. I do. And I think 2022, obviously we have the catalyst with the Doge one. So I think at some point we're going to see at least another spike upward to that high, that 75, 80 mark. But I think since we've been there before, I think we'll see it just a little bit more and maybe hit $1. I really do. I think Doge is really looking nice. Let us know if you're in Doge in chat. Let me know if you're holding Doge. That's another one we talk about on the stream. Of course, Cardano, Doge, right there, 4 or 5 spot, 2 of my favorites. All right, let me jump back over and chat. All right, guys, welcome in, welcome in. Almost to 1,000 viewers on stream. That would be awesome. Can we get to 1,000 viewers on stream? I think that'd be a record for me. Make sure you like the video. That'll help out with that YouTube algorithm. Push it out to some more people. That would be super, super dope if we can get up to 1,000 concurrent viewers. That would be a record of mine. That would be super cool. And it's all thanks to you guys for hanging out with me and chatting about crypto. All right, watching from Australia. Nice, son. Welcome in, brother. John, how you doing, man? Lord, what's up? Need Digibyte? We actually did Digibyte a little bit ago. So you can go back on stream when this is posted, check it out. But we liked it. We liked it. Oh, you need it to go up. I got you. I got you. I'll be honest, I moved half by Doge into SHIB. Oh, gotcha, man. Okay, that's cool. I hear you, brother. SHIB, buy low, sell high, repeat. Amur, nice. I hear you, brother. John, yo, how you doing, brother? Welcome, welcome. Make sure you subscribe to the channel if you're new here, guys. We're building a nice community up. Jay Borg, Sheba got in early by cheap. Nice. Sinu's going to the moon. Sinu, I'll have to check that out. I'll write that down. Well, if we have time, we'll go back and look at that. Buy Doge before it's too late. I hear you, Rob. I hear you, Rob. I think so too. I feel the same way on Cardano. Feel the same way on Polygon. Buy before it's too late. Feel the same way on Ethereum. All of those really. I think. Shoot, I think we're going to see massive movement with all of those coins. Really do. SHIB cheap. Yes, it is, Ryan. Definitely. It is cheap. Jerry, ADA, Shiba Inu, Ethereum. Hold, hold, hold. I hear you, brother. Me too. I'm right there with you. I'm right there with you. Let's see, Arun, how you doing? Hey, bro, from Saudi Arabia. Nice, man. I actually I had two roommates from Saudi Arabia, Arun. They were both from one was from Jeddah and the other was from Riyadh. So welcome in, man. Jerry, how you doing? Anchor thoughts. Anchor's super cheap, right? Super cheap. Let's see. Where is Anchor? Uh, Anchor. Okay, it's probably not even. Is it on the top 100? I think it was at one time. I looked into Anchor. I haven't got into it yet, but this is an interesting one. It's down right now too. Anchor is down right now. Yeah, it's a top 100 coin. Okay, so I knew it was in the top 100. It's literally number 100. Okay, so it had this real big run up, and then it's been kind of really fluctuating. Let's take a look at the 7-day. It has some big swings. Um, but yeah, might be a good time to get in if you believe in it. I haven't done enough research to give you like a green light go for it, but you know, I think it has enough things going for it that I think it's worth taking a risk on, even with the price that it's at. Um, yeah, I would take a chance. Yeah, I think it does have something to do. It is connected to Decentraland. This is something I mentioned on stream before. Decentraland is all about the virtual real estate world. So you essentially buy virtual land and then you can like add to it. It's kind of a crazy concept. I really want to look more into this idea of Decentraland. In fact, let me take a look at Mana. This is one that I'm really interested in, guys. I haven't bought into it yet, but man, the idea behind this, I could just see it taking off. I can see this being a big thing. Um, so let me go here. Decentraland, here we go. Check this out right here. Decentraland defines itself as a virtual reality platform powered by the Ethereum blockchain, which of course you guys know I like the Ethereum blockchain. Allows users to create, experience, monetize content and applications. In this virtual world, users purchase plots of land that they can later navigate, build upon, and monetize. Decentraland was launched following a 24 million initial coin offering that was conducted in 2017. So this is something I'm watching. This is definitely something I'm watching. Seeing what kind of news we get out on Decentraland. This is an idea that I like, right? And it's something, you know, something you invest in should be number one, something you believe in, something you like, right? So you have to like the idea of something, at least in my opinion, in order to invest in it. But Anchor, I think it's worth some more digging for sure. Kevin, Snow Inu is brand new. Watch for it. Yeah, I heard about it, I think, today, actually. 80%. Welcome to the stream, Kevin. If you're new here, man, make sure you like it up and subscribe to the channel. Appreciate you being here. Elon tweeted Doge. It went up. LOL night now. Yeah, it did. Mighty, did he tweet again about it? Let's see. Let's see. What's the latest? Shiba Swamp, I have to say. Actually, let's load Shiba Swamp and see if we get anything. I'll check these notifications, guys. I'm sure it's is it people maybe interested in being admins for the chat? I'm gonna need that eventually. That would be super dope if we get a few people to help us out with that. All right, let's take a look here. Shiba Swamp latest rather. Also, I'm not a huge plugger here, but I did drop something in my description. I only mentioned this one other time. I mentioned I dropped a Coinbase link in my description. If you're yet to get to Coinbase, you enter, you put $100 in. We both get $10 worth of Bitcoin for free. Coinbase has a lot of great coins. Dogecoin is coming to Coinbase soon. Over on Coinbase, I've got my Cardano and Polygon over there. So that's just something out there. If you want to, you know, we could both benefit from it. Both get $10. You can use that referral link. It'll give us $10 in Bitcoin. So if you're interested in that, if you're not yet on Coinbase, check that out. All right, Shiba Swap. Let's take a look here. Upcoming launch. Okay, all I want for Christmas is for Shiba Inu to reach 1 cent. How about this, guys? Love it, huh? Love it. Team Doritos is changing the flavor. Oh, wow, what's this about? I thought they were going to mention Sheeb. I don't see anything, do you? Okay. Shiba Inu is also known as the Dogecoin killer. Here's everything you need to know. Oh, interesting. TV station. We're getting some news there. Interesting. Okay. Let's see what else we got here on the latest. What else can we see here? Welcome in, guys. Welcome in if you're new here. Welcome, welcome. Decentralized revolution. Love it, love it. Okay, nothing that interesting. Of course, we got a lot of news on the 13th, CNN business. Yeah, this was great stuff. All right, let's take a look at Google Trends here. I haven't refreshed this in a while. Let's see here, past hour. Let's check this out. We got Shiba, SafeMoon, and Dogecoin in there right now. All right, let's see. What do we got here? What do we got? Dogecoin, nice spike here this morning, huh? Let's take a look at the past 4 hours. Welcome in, guys. Over 900 people in the chat. This is awesome. Welcome, welcome. Hello from Naples, Florida. How you doing, Lorenzo? I've been to Naples a few times. Ever been over to Marco Island, right next door? Pretty cool down there, huh? How's the weather? It's probably awesome. All right, we're getting a little spike here on Dogecoin, actually, guys, at 918. Did Elon say something here? Let's see. We are getting a nice spike on Dogecoin. Let's see if Elon has said anything. Welcome in, everybody that's new. Make sure you like it up. Like up the stream. We're closing in on 300 likes. Guys, there's 900 of you in here. We only have 287 likes. Come on. Help me out here. We can at least get to 300, right? I got to get better at asking for likes too, right? What does Graham Stephan say? Smash the like button, right? Smash the like button. Will that help with the likes? There we go. Oh, yeah, that helped. Okay. All right, now I'm getting it. Smash the like button. There it is. Okay. Appreciate it. Okay. Let's see. Live feed from Starlink. Okay. Could that help the price of Doge? Hey, does anyone just want to watch this hour and 49 mission from SpaceX? This would be pretty cool. Actually, just listened back to Elon on the Joe Rogan Experience recently. Dude is awesome, isn't he? All right, so nothing really on the Elon front. So we're just seeing a nice Doge push in the Google trends, just in general in the past 4 hours. Let's close in on the past hour here. See if we can get a better idea. Yeah, nice push on Doge here, guys, on the Google trends. So people are interested in the coin right now. It's just a good way to kind of gauge. This is the U.S. Let's take this out worldwide, actually. Let's take this out worldwide. And actually, I want to take Sheba and just look inside India and get an idea of who's searching Sheba in India. So we saw these big tails yesterday. Disregard these tails. This is a blip in their system. So just focus on these last dots here. Okay. So Doge is up a little bit. Sheba is actually up a little bit in the past hour. So that's good. We're getting some interest still. All right, let's instead of worldwide, let's go India here. See what we can get. Let's take SafeMoon out and just do Shiba and Dogecoin. So there's some Dogecoin interest in India, actually, guys. Quite a bit in the past hour. Let's take it out past day. Okay, so similar trends here, guys. So it looks like people in India are interested in both coins, right? They're interested in both Shiba and Doge, and I thought this would be the case, right? Because I think this just opened the eyes to people in India to the crypto space in general, right? So, but still, you're seeing a nice pop here today with interest levels in Shiba. This is good, guys. This is good, right? This is the past day. So, you know, we were 6:40 a.m. This is early this morning. Look at all this interest level ramping up throughout the day, right? This is a good chart. Now we are back down here, so I'd like to see another pop up, another trajectory upwards here on the charts. But this is still good. Let's take a look at the past 7 days just to kind of see who's searching Shiba. Okay, there's Doge past 7 days. You can see Sheeb's had some nice pops out of nowhere. People are still interested in it though, right? Still getting some pops. So that's good. All right, let's take a look and see if there's any new articles out. Let's keep up with all the news. Let's see here. Shiba Inu. That's all we need there. Coin. Welcome in, everybody. Almost to 1,000 concurrent viewers. There's something in this algorithm that's just keeping us below it, right? So I'm going to ask you to smash the like button so we can get to 1,000 concurrent viewers. That will break the record on this channel. So smash the like button, help us get there. We need 20 more. I think we can get there, right? At least on my end. I don't know if that's actually accurate, but we'll try to get there. I'm going to get back in chat here in a minute too, promise. Let's see here. We'll go over to news, tools, date. Let's see what we got. Okay, nothing new. Interesting though, I missed this one, guys, 10 hours ago, so this is today. Yahoo Finance, another article mentioning SHIB. So let's pull this up and take a look at this. Yahoo Finance has actually written a few articles on SHIB. Okay, let's take a look here. Here's how you can get Shiba Inu for free. Uh-oh, guys, you guys might want to check this out. Shiba Inu, the token that recently saw 3-digit gains, will be distributed among the users of crypto financial services from Crypto.com. Oh, wow, guys. I didn't even know this. So, Crypto.com announced that it would distribute Shiba Inu through its liquidity mining platform with an offer 50% longer than usual that will go on for 45 days and feature a reward pool 8 times higher than usual. $2 million worth of SHIB. Guys, this is awesome news. This is awesome news. Users willing to reap the rewards are supposed to deposit their Crow tokens into the supercharger. So Crow tokens are the Crypto.com tokens. That's the platform's token. Supercharger pool on the platform during the charging period that starts on May 13th, ends on June 27th. So guys, I am going to copy and paste this. Well, I can't copy a link. It'll automatically delete it in chat, but you guys can see this article. You know how I got here, right? You can get Shiba Inu for free on Crypto.com. I talk about Crypto.com all the time. Check out this offering. Check out this article. Just search this up in your bar. Here's how you can get Shiba Inu for free. Just came across this. This is great news. I am going to save this too. Where is bookmark? Yeah, bookmark this tab. So I am going to save that because I want to go back to that and take advantage of that. Welcome, guys. Welcome. Welcome anybody new. We're at 400 likes. Thank you guys so much. Truly appreciate it. Really, really do. Really appreciate it. We are at 9,500 playbacks, guys. This is awesome. This is super, super cool. Hopefully we can get to 1,000 concurrent viewers. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do so. Community's growing fast. We're here to help each other. Here to talk about Shiba Inu. We're talking about Polygon, talking about Cardano, everything crypto right now as the stock market is down. But eventually we'll probably talk about stocks on the channel. You'll see some of my videos on the channel as well. I get into self-development. I'm huge on some self-help books that I've read, and I like to share some knowledge in that space too. So you'll see some of that content. If that's something that interests you, along with crypto and stocks and just constant growth in life, make sure you hit that subscribe button and join the community. Truly appreciate you guys being here. Really do. All right, let's continue reading this article. This is really, really interesting. All right, so users who took part in the Supercharger event will receive the reward daily, a 30-day period starting. Okay, so if you take part in the event, guys, starting 2 days ago, ending on June 27th, so you still have a chance to get in on this. Crypto.com, make sure you jump on there. It's a great platform. I don't use it, or I'm sorry, I'm not sponsored by Crypto.com, but I do use it. It's great. Shiba Inu was trading. Okay, this is just some interesting things. So they're going to start giving daily rewards starting June 29th if you jump on. So pretty cool. Check that out. Okay. All right, let's take a look at the charts. Actually, let's jump back into chat here. Let's see here. Make sure you guys smash the like button. Really appreciate it. Glenn Jenkins, you keep skipping past my Froge comments. Oh, Doge comments or Froge? Glenn, welcome to the channel, brother. Do you mean Doge or Froge? Sorry, man. This chat's moving fast. I'm gonna need some admins, some people to help me. I'm trying to get through them all, man. I really am. I'm trying to read them all. Good day from Australia. How you doing, Anthony? Welcome, brother. Watching from Ghana in Africa. Valentina, I think you're our first Ghana person from Ghana in the chat. So welcome, welcome. Andrew from Sydney, welcome, man. Liked and subscribed. Appreciate you, brother. Thank you. King Seated, where to buy Shiba in the USA? Crypto.com, man. Hopefully you just saw that article I pulled up. You can get some free SHIB there, but crypto.com, if you haven't signed up there, set up an account, you'll get verified in like 2 to 3 hours. Super, super nice. And you'll be ready to trade over there. So eventually we got to get sponsored. We got to get this channel sponsored by crypto.com and SHIB. That's the goal. We need to be sponsored by crypto.com and SHIB. What do you think? Can we make that happen? Nicholas, where should I buy SHIB? Crypto.com. Crypto.com, Nicholas. Hopefully you got that memo. Sparkle, New York in the house. What's up, man? NYC, how you doing? How you doing, brother? Let's get to 300 likes, folks. Mofo Worthy, I think we're there, brother. I think I'm way behind in chat. Rob, what do you think Doge will be in 10 years? Oh, man. Doge in 10 years? How about 10 bucks? Just throwing it out there. 10 bucks. 10 bucks in 10 years, Rob. How about that? Don P, can someone tweet The Rock to... Yeah, man, that'd be awesome. Tweet at The Rock. Let him know what's up. Okay, I am catching up on chats now. Okay, actually, I was way down below. Sorry, guys. Hello from Naples. Okay, got that. Okay, welcome, guys. Welcome, anybody new. Safe Mars Cash Token. Okay, let's see. Save India, Sheba. Michael, welcome. Yes, exactly. India. Save India, Sheba, yes. Yaman from India, welcome. Welcome to the chat. Welcome to the channel. Welcome to the stream. Make sure you like, subscribe. Buy Sheba on crypto.com. Easiest way is to buy Bitcoin on Cash App. Then send Bitcoin to crypto.com wallet. Nice. Appreciate that advice, Lord. I have not used Cash App. I know friends who do. Be wary of buying it on PayPal. I know that a lot of people talk about the fees over there. It's really easy to buy Bitcoin. I think they have Litecoin and Ethereum now on PayPal, but just be careful. Do some research on there. A lot of people put out some YouTube videos on this stuff too, in terms of the fees and things like that, transaction fees. I know some places too, like, okay, Robinhood, for example, it's okay to buy your crypto there, but there is kind of a little bit of a difference in terms of you don't actually own your coins. Robinhood still has a lot of that control. Like, you don't have control of your own wallet. Robinhood does, right? So that can be kind of scary at times. But maybe seek out places that you do have a little bit more of that control, right? Whether that's a ledger or a secure place like a crypto.com, which has never been hacked, at least to my knowledge. And Coinbase is one of my favorites, and also a very secure one too. All right, K Scoots, what's up? How you doing, man? How you doing? I think from Cali. Welcome, Matt. Great channel. Check out King Jong Moon. Thanks, brother. Is that really a token, Matt? Kim Jong Moon? Is that really a token? Terra Luna. Pete, I've heard about Terra Luna. It's been around for a while. I am not invested in it, but I know it's one of the top coins here. I know it's somewhere probably right in this range here. Yeah, number 31. Down a little bit right now. Yeah, I have to do a little bit more research on it though. But I like top 30 coins, so it's almost into that space. It's almost into that space. Down a little bit too. So if you're all about it, maybe it's a good time to get in. Daniel, Safe Mars Cash Token. Could you tell us more about Harmony One Coin? Saif, I don't know anything about the Harmony One Coin. Maybe somebody in chat does. That's the cool thing about our community. If I don't know something, other people can step in and help you out. So maybe somebody else knows about that coin and can help you out there. How do we buy CNU? Not sure, David. Not sure, David. Kim Jong Moon is a coin. That's hilarious, Joseph. Austin, Safe Moon. Yeah, Safe Moon's looking great right now, Austin. I am not invested in it, but I'm a little upset that I'm not. It's looking great, man. Yeah, it's looking great. The Mighty Het, could we discuss Elon's reply? Oh, did he reply to somebody? Let's see. Tweets and replies. Let's see. Did he reply to somebody? Ah, gotcha, brother. Thank you. Appreciate you bringing that up. Okay, so this guy says Elon is choosing Doge because Dogecoin is better than Bitcoin in many fundamental ways. Okay, this is referring to Elon's tweets last night. Dogecoin has faster transaction fees, speeds, lower fees, less environmental impact. Okay, but okay, guys, let me stop right there. This statement right here is still kind of, we don't know this to be true yet. So don't take that for fact. Dogecoin has faster transaction speeds. Somebody came out and came back at Elon and said basically the only reason that their transaction fees are faster right now is because the volume is lower. And when the volume would get higher, the transaction fees speeds would get higher, right? So these facts are kind of conflated right now. We're still trying to sort out the details. So just don't take that for complete fact right now, okay? Doge is affordable for regular folks because of its high supply. That's true. People's crypto. And he has said that before. Okay, all right, I can buy that. So Elon responds back, ideally, Doge speeds up block time 10x, increases block size 10x, and drops fee 10x. Then it wins hands down. So he says ideally, guys. Let's break down this. Ideally. So are we going to get there? Is that going to happen? We don't know. But that must be what he's talking about with some of the Doge people that are the main decision makers. So still, it's a Doge mention, guys. Let's see what happens. What's happening to the price? What's Doge doing? Okay, we're moving probably, huh? Let's check it out. Kim Jong-moon to the moon. Car Service, welcome. The Unstoppable, welcome. Hold, yes, love it. Guys, make sure you like it up, subscribe to the channel. Appreciate you guys being here. Anybody new? Welcome. Rinku, Kim Jong is a Mooney. Welcome in, brother. Draven, what's up? What do you think about smart contracts, cryptocurrencies? Love smart contracts, love cryptocurrencies, Draven. Smart contracts, super, super useful, especially when you're sending money from, let's say the United States to India, across the world, like we just saw with the Shiba Inu coin. It's much faster, right? Much faster, easier to make that transaction in terms of the time, the speed, right? You don't have to go through a third party. That's the great thing with smart contracts. It's peer-to-peer. You don't have to go through that third party, which in a lot of cases is the bank, right? That's what a wire transfer is. Takes a long time. So, all right. Will SHIB go up soon? I hope so. The G Nation. I think so. I think so. Brandon Vargas, what's up, man? Welcome in. Manuel, Polygon went from 30 cents now over 160 in 2 weeks. Yeah, Manuel, we were talking about it early on this week. If you were here early on in the week on this channel, I was pumping up Polygon quite a bit. I got a little bit lucky. I'm not going to toot my own horn to the point where I made that happen. But I liked Polygon before the pump. Okay, I got in Polygon at 88 cents not too long ago. Not too long ago. In fact, I think it was just last week, to your point. E5D, ADA, love it. Love it, brother. Polygon, ADA, two of my biggest holdings in the crypto space. Love it. Yeah, take a look at the 1 month chart real quick for Polygon, guys. Love this one. Yeah, I got in right about here, guys. 88 cents, May 11th. So I actually got in this. Well, no, it must have been the 88 somewhere in here then. No, I guess it was here then. Yeah. Must have been Sunday or Monday I got in Polygon. Must have been Sunday. Yeah. So, yeah, we've seen a huge run-up in a short amount of time, guys. Brand new, but I got 14 million SHIB. Welcome, Verve. Verve, I'm on. Nice, man. Welcome. Benjamin, how you doing, man? Welcome to the chat. CLR finally moving. I did see that, Martin. Welcome. Do you have some of that? Do you have some of that coin? If I ain't smeg, it ain't nothing. Welcome, Marshawn. How you doing, man? Joe, welcome, welcome. Joe Anderson, how you doing? Viral, how you doing? Will Dogecoin ever have smart contract? That's interesting. That's a good question. I don't know. I don't know, Viral. That could certainly help. I think the big thing right now with Dogecoin is it has a lot of similarities to Bitcoin, right? And I think what Elon's saying here, we can kind of read right here. I mean, ideally, Doge speeds up block time at 10x, increases block size, right? Then essentially it becomes what Bitcoin is now, right? It's a stored value. It's digital gold, right? So I think Doge has more of a chance to become a digital gold type of asset right now, the way it's built, opposed to something like Ethereum, right, which allows for smart contracts. Sheba, CVRC, welcome, welcome. Sheba. Kim Jong-moon, Lewis, welcome, welcome. Abu, brand new, bought 18 million Sheba. Nice, Abu. Welcome. Brandon Vargas, how you doing? Anthony, BTT will be using a way of paying people. Oh, nice, man. I'm glad you're mentioning that. Has some pretty big users like Netflix. Okay, BitTorrent. Nice. Check out their website. BTT. Okay, I'll have to check into that. Let me write that down, Anthony. If we don't get to it tonight, we will check that out on a later stream. I keep some notes here so we can check out some of these things on a later stream. Appreciate you dropping some knowledge there. Thank you. Lewis, welcome. Austin Nelson, how you doing? If you could give a good number of shares for Sheba, how many would you buy? I can tell you how much I have. I got 10 mil. So I don't have like my life savings invested into it, just enough to have some exposure. And I think it'll be fun, right? That's why we're here. Just went and got 180 billion Sheeb. Hope I don't have to regret it. Meta, as long as you can afford it, you won't regret it. Just only risk what you're willing to lose, brother. And if you want to space it out, you know, however much money that ended up being to get that amount. Some other coins that I like, again, not financial advice, just dropping my opinions. Cardano, right, one I like. Polygon, one I like. Ethereum, VeChain, just to name a few. Kevin, guys, CNU is a brand new. Please check it out. Okay, I'll write it down. I'll write CNU down, but we'll have to see if we get there. Manuel, 35 billion Sheeb. Guys, let us know how much Sheeb you got in chat if you haven't already. If you hadn't already, let us know how much Sheeb you got in chat. That's a good investment. Peak token. Yeah, look up Kishu Inu. Oh, we know all about Kishu Inu. We know Planet. Welcome to the chat. Welcome. TrueBit will allow Doge to have smart contracts via Ethereum TrueBit. Really? Get rich or die trying. Is that true? I am going to, hold on. I'm going to copy what you said here and reverse look this up because I had not heard that. If that's the case, that's super cool. Let's check it out here. All right, guys, make sure if you're here, like the video, please. Smash the like button. Would appreciate it. Go ahead and smash the like button. Dogecoin helping Ethereum solve its biggest issue. Okay, so let's go to news. Okay, I haven't seen that anywhere. Get rich. Let us know where you're getting that info. I do want to kind of look at this article, though. I know this is a little bit dated, but have huge potential this month, according to crypto trader Tyler Swope. Swope says that ETH breaking massive ground against Bitcoin and the rest of the crypto markets. A wave of new projects built on the Ethereum network. Yep, I love the Ethereum network. Could be able to receive new attention from investors. Let's see. Okay, check TrueBit, a smart contract scalability protocol. Interesting. According to True is trading at 86, already up 800%. Interesting. Let's check out True, guys. This is interesting right here. Here's what I'm reading. Interesting. Let's take a look at True. Let's see where it's at. Let's see if it's up. Oops. True. TrueFi. Helping with smart contracts. Okay, it's down right now. Okay, so it was well up and it fell off. But still interesting nonetheless. Might be a good time to buy. Let's pull it out for the month. It must have ran up and then crashed, right? Yeah, it got up. Interesting. Okay, something to watch. Okay. Interesting. All right, guys, welcome. Make sure like up the stream. Appreciate everybody being here. Let's go back to the chat. Oh yeah, if you guys are just coming in, here's how you can get some Shiba Inu for free. Check out this Yahoo Finance article. Crypto.com will help you get there. Here's how you can get Shiba Inu for free. All right, let's check out the chat. Senegal, West Africa here. Senegal, how you doing? Rich, what's up? ADA, we're going up, guys. Death King. Okay, let's check it out. Let's check out Coinbase market cap. Sheba's going up. Let's check it out. Glad you're all hanging out with me. Appreciate it. Appreciate you guys being here. Doge, 53 cents right now. Let's see. All right, where are we at? Let's see here. Sheba, okay, still right here, guys. Still at our 15 mark. Let's pull it up. ADA, Wasim, love ADA. About 24 million SHIB. You expect Cardano to drop again? Yeah, probably Havoc. When? I don't know. Right now it's on a tear, but it'll probably drop eventually, yeah. You know, how much it'll drop, that's kind of tough, but I would say if you can get it anytime back in like the 160, I've seen it drop back down to 160 not too long ago. That'd be a good target for you to look at, 160. Dan, what's up? Love it. Peak token. Oh man, what is peak token? What the heck is this? Come on, Diorbeck. Don't come in here and spam. I'll name this channel later. Nice. I love that. I'll name this channel later. What does Cardano look like on a Monday? Oh man, it looks great. I mean, it looks great right now. I mean, if it's a thing where you want to get in on Monday, I think you're safe to get in this. As long as you're holding long term, I'll name this channel later. I think it's a good coin, man. I mean, it's obviously run up a ton lately, but I just love the long term outlook on Cardano. But you'll see, guys. You guys can see like down in, if we go to the 7-day, it does retrace down to about the 160 mark. See, 156, 150, 160, right? So this would be like the dip that I would look for in terms of getting in that 1.6 level. Will it get back down there? I don't know. If it doesn't, maybe it's like it ends up being like the 1.8 level. Honestly, anytime under 2, I think would be great at this point, because Cardano is only gaining steam. It's only gaining popularity in the space. More and more people are understanding why it's so relevant and why it's the future. This proof of stake blockchain. Innovators and visionaries to bring the positive global change, right? Great CEO too, right? Charles Hoskinson actually has a live channel. He goes live quite a bit, so check that out. You can learn more about the Ethereum network and how Cardano fits into it. ADA and Matic are the safest. Will go up for sure. I'm with you, brother. With you. Ali, how you doing? Only have 1 mil. That's cool. Who cares? 1 mil is more than 0, right? A lot more than 500,000. It'll get to 50 cent. Hopefully, Death King OG. Rich, yeah, under 2. Yeah, under 2 is nice. Definitely under 2. Sheba isn't going up so no. Adrian, come on, man. Come on, man. Come on, man. Drew, Adrian really wants to be noticed. Yeah, he does. I guess he does, huh? Oh, man. See, this is what I don't like, guys. Then I got to start having to kick people out. What do I do? Do I report it? What do I do? Oh, I guess I can add moderator, huh? Oh, okay. You could do it just like this. So let me go check this actually right on stream. Who is interested in being? Hey, it's Johnson from the YouTube. If you need the admin soon, I'll help. Okay, the Johnsons. Are you still in chat, the Johnsons? Drop something in chat if you are, the Johnsons. Because I'm going to make you admin right now. And then hopefully, does the admin then just have the capability of like booting people from the chat? Is that kind of what happens? I'm totally new to this, guys. Like, I am not like a lifelong streamer here. Dan, can I make you an admin? I know Dan has been here for a long time. If somebody's interested in being an admin, that'd be super cool. Let me know. All right, I know I'm losing people on that. That's okay. We'll gain them back. Okay, 470 likes. Guys, if I could get to 500 likes, if you could smash the like button 30 more times, that would be super cool. Anthony, ADA looks overextended at the moment. Looks like it'll retrace back to between 163. Exactly, Anthony. It sits down at that 163, 165 level a lot. I see it go back. In fact, it was just there on stream the other night, and I told people, hey, this is a good time to get in Cardano. And what did it do? Pop back over to the next day. So I'm with you on that. Yep, they can also time them out for 300 seconds. Mofo Worthy, I am going to make you a moderator because I just saw your thing and I know you've been in here for a while. Hopefully you're okay with that. If you're not, I guess you can defer or however that works. But I know you're one of the true OGs that has been here for a while, so hopefully you can help me out. Again, I don't even know like what control I just gave you, but I just made you a moderator. Okay, I could boost spammers. Okay, Henry, what's the Sheeb's potential? Cardano 250 by the end of the weekend. I like it, Peter. I like it. Havoc, what's going on with ETH lately? It's I think a lot of people are chasing Cardano and Polygon. A lot of people are chasing Dogecoin. So it's a lot of people just switching their money over, but that's okay. I mean, ETH has had such a run up. It has longevity. It's a good time to buy, in my opinion. It's a good time to buy it. Chris, what's up? Benjamin, SHIB, 0.01 by Christmas. Hopefully, brother. Early Christmas present, Benjamin. That's what I would like, huh? Stacy, a lot of SHIB. Nice. Nice, Stacy. Welcome. Boot me out. What the heck, man? All right, Shofai. You gonna get the boot. Gonna get the boot. Shib, go roof. Okay, sweet. I have some ETH and hope for the best. Yeah, hold on to it, Havoc. Hold on to it, brother. And Safe Moon, what are your thoughts on ETC? Thoughts on ETC, Las Vegas Barbie. ETC. Is that Ethereum Classic? Yeah, I'm not a fan. Not a fan of Ethereum Classic, guys. I like Ethereum. So yeah, Las Vegas Barbie. ETH Classic was the original Ethereum, but everything that's going to the future is Ethereum 2.0. And that runs on the regular Ethereum, the second market cap one, like this one here. This is the proof of stake, the smart contracts. This is the future. The NFT space. This is where you want to be invested with Ethereum. Looking for altcoins. Blenzo, there's a lot of them out there. A lot of them are jumping too. A lot of choices. Anything in particular you're looking for? Peter, also have none, but what's your thoughts on Algorand? Like Algorand, Peter. You get 6% APY there, which is nice. Good place to store your money while you wait for something else to dip. I like it. Ultra safe. What's your expectation for Polygon? Love Polygon. I haven't give my own like price target or whatever, but the price targets that I've looked at, I've seen like $3 upwards to $5. So I like that range, to be honest. But I think it could go much higher than that. I really do. I think Polygon could get up to the $9, $10 range. I think Cardano could get closer to 20. Guys, when you look at Polygon, the run-up it saw, right now it's in the top 20, right? It's number 20. It was at number 34 earlier in the week. Like, in a blink, it's number 20. It's a top 20 coin. So, yeah, Polygon has shown some great movement. All right, guys, we're closing in on about 2 hours, so I am going to hang out for another 3 minutes or so. This has been another great live stream. Really appreciate it. If you would help me smash the like button, that would be huge. Take a couple more questions here. Vet to the moon, yeah, man, like it. What's your portfolio, Son? Crypto portfolio. I'll tell you what I'm currently invested in right now. I'll be totally upfront. Again, not financial advice. This is just my opinion. This is my takes. So I'm invested in Bitcoin. I'm invested in Ethereum. I'm invested in Cardano, in Dogecoin, Chainlink, VeChain, Polygon, and Shiba Inu. That's what I'm in. You can help Zach, Epic Joe, help out with admin duties. I'll keep that in mind, man. I think Mofo has helped me out a few times. Mofo has currently got the admin roles. Appreciate that, Mofo. Okay, Epic Joe, I will keep you in mind, man. First time listener, first time viewer, welcome in. Darren, what about POLX? Don't know anything about it, brother. But let's take a look at it real quick. Polyastic. You know what? I think I have heard of this. But it's way down on the market cap. So is it a super cheap coin? Yeah. What's it about? Yield farming, crypto lending, designed to track token performance. Okay. Stable coins. Too early to tell on this. polyastic, and I don't know much about it. Nothing really jumps out at me in terms of the story here just yet. But guys, there's so many coins. It's so hard to know all of them, right? There's 9,835 coins or tokens, whatever. So yeah, it's tough sometimes to know. Use KuCoin and NYC. Yeah, you know, KuCoin. I'm learning that it's really a good space. I'm gonna have to check it out. KuCoin, I guess it has a lot of coins on there too. Stahane, coin on. Hopefully, I'm pronouncing that correctly. XLH or ADA, ADA, in my opinion, ADA. New to the stream and it was really good. Thanks, Bojification. Appreciate that, man. Hopefully, you subscribe to the channel, like the video. Thank you. Son Anderson, you're welcome. No problem. Make sure you come back. Great insight and live stream. Thanks, Zach. No problem, Las Vegas Barbie. Appreciate you stopping by. Make sure you like the button, hit the like button on the way out, and subscribe to the channel. Elon Musk is a clown. Well, Luca, a couple people, you know, people like to hate on Elon, but I just give him mad props, man. That guy's running 3 major businesses simultaneously. Like, who does that? Who runs Tesla, SpaceX, and Neuralink all at the same time? I mean, think about that. You got to respect him in that aspect. Do you do one-on-one help? Austin Nelson. I don't do one-on-one help, but that's something I will consider. Austin, drop in your email, Austin, in chat, and I can reach out to you. Drop in your email in chat, Austin. Luca, we'll clap Ethan Gaines. XRP, Luca, big XRP fan. Actually, you know what, Austin, new to the stream, can't wait for the next one. Austin, send me a DM on Twitter, Austin. If you have Twitter, it's @Z_Humphreys. Add me there, and let's link up. Or actually, you already put it there. Okay, gotcha. I'm writing it down now. Hopefully you don't get a bunch of people to spam, but I think we got a pretty cool community. Hopefully you don't get any crazy emails. Austin N. Okay, gotcha. Austin, welcome, man. I'm glad you're enjoying the stream. Glad. Okay, let's see what else we got. Musk is running a business on Earth and space. Yeah, he's running a business on Earth and in space. Exactly, the manatee. How crazy is that? It's insane. That's insane. Like and sub. Oh, Mofo, you're the man. Appreciate it. Sunshine Daydreams. I want Shiba Inu to grow to be my biggest portfolio. Dude, me too. That would be so dope. What's your thoughts on Uniswap? You know what? Team US baby. Uniswap. I gotta look into it. It's on my list to look into. You know, a lot of my researching time is being made up of streaming time now, so I gotta make more time for research. But that's awesome because I love hanging out with you guys. Manuel, thanks. We'll be back, bro. Awesome, bro. Awesome. Enjoyed it. Don P, let's tweet the rock to get tweet Sheba. Don P, let's do it, man. Let's tweet the rock to get Sheba. I love it. I just moved all Sheba to Matic for a few hours. Wrong move. Rat, hey, that's on you, man. I love them both, so I can't knock you. Can't knock you, man. I love Matic. Sheep garbage, everyone watch for shitcoin rug pulls. I mean, camera, hey, that's one way to look at it, bro. But, you know, we're here, you know, we're positive about it. You know, we're still all about it. So, let's see where we're at actually right now. Yeah. Oh, guys. Oh, I thought that for a minute that was Sheba. Monero has the same color scheme. I thought for a minute that was Sheba. All right, we're still at 29, still at our support levels. Not a lot of movement tonight, guys. Not a lot of movement, but that's okay. We're staying flat. That's okay. Marco, yeah, no problem. Marcos, Roldan, no problem. Yeah, send me a message, man. No problem. Send me a message on Twitter if you can, guys. Just add me on Twitter here. Add me on here, and yeah, we can set that up. Or Marcos, if you want to put here, you know what, guys? I will put my email here if you're interested in, you know, some extra help or some bonus tips, something like that. Shoot me an email. Which price dip to invest for XRP? I want to start with crypto. Please, any advice, Zach? XRP is not one I invest in, Guzel, but I will say a lot of people like it. It is up today, so anytime it's up on the day, it's not like a great time to invest. You want to buy on days where it's red, if it's something you truly believe in. But I will say XRP. I want to say when it gets down to like the $1.20 level might be a pretty good time. But let's take a look at the chart real quick. XRP and ADA, Tito. We're looking at XRP right now. I love ADA though. So they saw the big run up. This was way back in 2018, guys, and then it's had some nice gains here in 2021. It still has a lot of controversy around this, of course, with the Ripple platform, and it's pulled off of Coinbase right now. So it's just not for me at the moment, but a lot of people are into it. So it looks like there's some support in this 7-day at the 120 line. Yeah, looks like there's some decent support. I mean, back in April, it was way down in here. So whoever asked about XRP, I would look at like the 120 mark would be a good spot when it gets close to down here. That'd be a good spot to enter, I think. At least just looking at the 1 month. Okay, up on a, I'm up. Yeah, I'm up on 80 too, Tommy. Love it, man. What do you guys think about Alaska INU? Yeah, we talked about Alaska INU, Jacob. It's pretty cool. It's making some headway, but I don't own it. Las Vegas Barbie, how often do I go live? Okay, so I literally started this. I don't know, Tuesday. I think I went live for the first time Tuesday. So I haven't developed a schedule yet or anything. I need to dedicate some more time to it and really think about how often I want to do this. But so far, I've just been hopping on for a few hours in the evenings. You could follow me on Twitter. I do tweet out before I go live. So it's at @Z_Humphreys. You can follow me there. And before I go live, I send out like a quick tweet just so you know. And but yeah, hopefully I will have a more concrete answer for you in the near future. So yeah. Sheba, yes. Do you think Vitalik made SHIB famous? I think he's helping, yeah. Basim, I think so, yeah. I think he will. And I think Sandeep Newell, the co-founder of Polygon, could also be a catalyst in the future. I think if he stepped in, he already has stepped in and said that, SHIB holders, you're safe, right? You're okay. If he steps in and does a little bit more for the SHIB community, I think that'd be great. I think he has the power to. I mean, he's the co-founder of Polygon, which is fantastic. Okay, do you think for time? Yeah, okay, got that. Can we buy XRP? We can't buy XRP in the U.S. Right, Manuel. Exactly. Well, you can't buy it. Technically not, but right, if you get one of those VPNs, technically you could be in the U.S., but your computer could be somewhere else. So I know people who have done that. You didn't hear that from me though. Lots are buying Sheba at the moment. Yeah, I hope so. Hope so. Bought 20 million Sheeb. Not sure if it's a mistake. No, I think you're good, Tommy. You're joining a cool community, man. Just hang in there. This is one that you don't want to have your whole savings in, right? So if let's just say you had $500 to invest, right? Let's just say you had $500 to invest. In my opinion, I would put maybe $50 of that 500 into Sheeb. In my opinion, like if you only had $50 or $500 to invest, I would put like 50 into Sheeb. The rest would be like into things like Ethereum, Cardano, Polygon, VeChain. This is just my opinion. I mean, these are things that are more solidified. Things that really have a lot of room to grow too. Trade XRP on Coinbase. Yeah, very cool. Thinking to hold for more than 10 years. What do you think? I think so too, Dream. I'm holding. I'm just going to let it ride, brother. It's good too. It's on hold too. All right, guys. Hey, I am going to get out of here. This has been a lot of fun. I got to get some rest. But I'll be back with you hopefully tomorrow, and we'll continue this. Also, guys, before you head out, make sure you like the video, subscribe to the channel. Also, I really would appreciate if you go back and check out some other videos and see what you think. Give me your thoughts on those. I'm going to be pumping out some more videos very soon. Thank you to everybody new here tonight. Thank you to all the returners. You guys are awesome. Without you guys, none of this is possible. So thank you. Truly appreciate it. And let's continue to grow together and learn more about crypto together. Mofo, thank you so much for your work tonight. Appreciate it, man. I'll see you guys.